Welcome, crypto fam, to the #1 daily Bitcoin pod. Congratulations to all the Bitcoin hodlers. We just tapped 72.5. We're only like 1 or 2 percentage points away from price discovery. Make some noise for that. In today's show, I'll be sharing the latest technical analysis and quoting Eric Balchunas. U.S. spot ETFs are scheduled to hit 1 million Bitcoin held by next Wednesday and pass Satoshi by mid-December before their first birthday. Amazing. It truly is. We'll also be discussing Bitcoin's path to 80,000 per coin, fueled by the bullish derivative trend. I'll be breaking that down for you, as well as Bhutan government moves 66 million of the Bitcoin stash to Binance as the price tops now 72 Gs. We'll also be discussing Emory University holds 15 million in Bitcoin ETFs, according to their latest filing. We'll also be sharing Bitcoin open interest nears 23 billion as analysts warns of a Bitcoin price euphoria. Send it. We'll also be discussing $1 million Bitcoin, revisiting a classic Keiser prediction from 11 years ago today. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. All this plus so much more in today's historic show. So you already know. Welcome everyone to the live stream. Bitcoin ripping right now, up $4,000 on the day. It don't get no more fantastical than that. Pretty lit, yo. Yesterday we had a nice pump. Today we're having a nice pump. October in full swing. October does not disappoint. Shout out Satwise Jank. Shout out Mr. Bone Daddy. Shout out OG Backroad Crypto Bootleg. Shout out Hey Ab. Good to have you with us. Shout out to the Greg. Ahoy Bitcoin Pirate Crew. I have a dream. Bitcoin hitting an all-time high today. Send it. Shout out Ricky Norwood and the rest of the fam. We're streaming live on X, Rumble, into YouTube. Let me know if you were on our 11-hour pump watch overnight. Unfortunately, I had to end the pump watch to do today's pod, but the show must go on. Welcome everybody. I'm going to check the X feed right now. We're streaming live on X, Rumble, and YouTube. And also, Bitcoin just smashed more than 100,000 Canadian dollars. Take that, Justin Trudeau. How you like that? Pretty lit, yo. This is pretty amazing. Let me check the feed here. I just pinned it to the top of the X profile. If you guys can find it at the top of the profile, it's easy to find right at the top. Heart it, repost it, spread the word. History in the making, price discovery. We're on the cusp, new all-time highs. The time is now. October in full effect. And 1 week from today will be the presidential election on November 5th. So nothing but bullishness incoming. Can we get a Trump pump, please? Let's go. Shout out Greg, Ricky, David. Good to have you guys here. Bitcoin CME futures above 73. Let's go. The Bears are dumping in the shorts. Shout out Mr. Corvette. Hey, JV and the fam. Listen, we will see new all-time high by tomorrow. Maybe by today. Time will tell. Shout out Adam Taylor. A little proof of work. I appreciate the repost. He put 100 G's in Canada. Let's freaking go. Shout out Catherine Weaver. Much appreciate the repost, family. Shout out Metal Code. Calm like a bomb. Bitty bitty boom. Much appreciated. Shout out Max Keiser, the one and only high priest. I appreciate the repost, brother. You're the man. You're a legend. Honored to be sharing your 11-year-old throwback prediction today on the stream. Just reposted ya. Let's freaking go. Welcome everyone to the live. Can we get a gong hit for new all-time highs? You sure can. It's time. Ignite the boosters. Amen. Good to have everyone here. I mean, it's a beautiful sign when we're at 72.4. Most likely, we'll continue with a pump watch after today's pod. We may just keep it running into a pump watch. Let me know what you guys want to do. There is a live poll in the tube. Let me know when Bitcoin new all-time high before the end of October, within the next couple of days, first week of November, or before the end of November, or could it be December? Holla at your boy. 100 G's. Mwah! Precisely. 100 G's in Canada. You got to love it. I'm looking for that 300K. Great. That's 100K, another 100K, another 100K. That's 300K on the way, on the lay. Motherfrickin' on the way. I'm looking for it too, yo. But anyways, keep the comments flowing. Let's get as many people on today's stream as possible, broskies. Let's celebrate the pump to new all-time highs with JV. Thank you, Satwise. Greatly appreciated. And thank you again, Catherine. You're awesome. Appreciate all the reposts. I'll be checking the feed throughout the entire stream. But anyways, welcome everybody. Let's hit them with a little bit of theme music.
Oh my gosh, It's finally almost here.
JV is going to talk to us. Crypto news is near.
I can't stand waiting. There is no debating. I waited all day. Maybe I need a life, but Bitcoin is all I can think about day and night. Hurry, JV.
Welcome, crypto fam. History in the making. We're on the cusp of reclaiming price discovery. We ain't seen price action like this since mid-March of this year. It's been a long time coming. The time is right motherfucking now. So make some noise. Greg says if harmonic patterns play out, the current 1.114 fib, 88 Gs, and then the 1.2 fib, 106, all possible in the short order once the all-time high falls. Well, let her fall. I'm personally getting an E-ray when Bitcoin hits 250 Gs. What's an E-ray? Is that a vehicle? Let me know. But anyways, fam, if you're new to the channel, very important to smash the likes. Go ahead and subscribe. Then hit the bell icon, turn on all notifications. Today is pod episode 1802. I'm your host, JV. It's October 29th, 2024, and Bitcoin Uptober in full swing, 72,500 right now. We're on the cusp of price discovery. This is history in the making. How high will she climb? 88 Gs in play. Let's send it. But anyways, fam, let's kick it off with our market watch as we do each and every day. Can you feel the excitement in my voice? And this is non-caffeinated JV. This is just Bitcoin caffeine, if you feel what I'm saying. Bitcoin up 5.5% on the day, and we're just getting started. Trading roughly at 72,500, which is obviously we haven't seen price action like this since mid-March when we had the 73.8 all-time high, and we're on the cusp of reclaiming it right now. Even Ethereum up 6%, trading just shy of 27 hundo. The majority of the alts pumping and in the green. Checking out coinmarketcap.com. We currently sitting on a 2.44 trillion market cap as it continues to soar. The Bitcoin market cap 1.43 trillion, also continuing to soar. We got 105 billion worth of volume in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance also on the climb at 58.8%, with the Ether dominance holding on to 13.1%. And checking out the top 100 crypto gainers past 24 hours, we got Sui up 22%. We got Popcat up 20%. We got Doge up 17%. Jesus. Meme coin extravaganza right now. Even what's it called? Sheeb is pumping, Dog with Whiff, all these meme coins, Pepe, etc. But which alts, if any, are you bullish on for the bull? Holla at your boy. And checking out the crypto bubbles, we get a visual perspective on the daily. Everything is in the green. You gotta love it. We live for days like this, broskies. And zooming out on a monthly, I say it's like a 50-50 ordeal here. 50% in the green, 50% in the red. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Today is a 72. Yesterday is 72. Last week is 70. And last month is 63 in greed. And checking out the time chain calendar, there's 182,000 blocks to go into the next halving of 2028. We are currently sitting at 867,947th block. And you can currently exchange $1 for 1,395 Satoshis. A couple of weeks ago, you could have got 1,800 Satoshis per dollar. Today, you're less than 1,400, and that number is only going to get lower and lower and lower and lower as the Bitcoin market continues to explode here in October, heading into November. So there you have it, yo. Welcome everyone to the live stream. Wow, 72.6, just like that. Alan Haley, get a little bubble ready, all-time high in this piece. We pumping it up. Look at us today, another all-time high incoming. We may hit the all-time high today. It's very doable. Very, very doable. Smash the likes, family, on the YouTube and on the Rumble. We're streaming on X, Rumble, and YouTube. And make sure to repost this stream because it's history in the making. History in the motherfucking making. The man is live. Come check it out. Shout out Mr. Grip. I appreciate the repost on the X feed, brother. And I am following you. And anyone who reposts or comment the stream will get shouted out and follow back and repost it live on stream. Because that's how we roll. Can I get a gong hit for that? Bada boom, bada bing. Welcome, everybody. JV is on the Sat Fiend. You damn straight. 72.7. I have a good feeling we're going to hit all-time high before the end of the stream. This is history in the making. The price is such a relief. Amen. We'll hit the all-time high before we're going into the November. Amen. And this is before the Trump pump. Before the Trump pump. Let's go.
Don't call it a comeback. Bitcoin's been there for years. Peer to peer, bigger suckers to fear.
But anyways, let's get right into today's technical analysis. Check out some of the live charts because the charts are lit like a mofo right now at 73, fast approaching. Bitcoin bulls charge towards 73 as analysts set six-figure Bitcoin price targets. Six figures, let's motherfucking go. Here you're looking at the daily chart. I'll be pulling up the live chart here in just a bit, but we're continuing to climb up 6% to set a 20-week high. That's what's up. We haven't seen price action like this in 20 weeks, family. Now, accompanying the Bitcoin price performance is a leap of trading volume, which stands at almost 48 billion and nearly doubling the volume seen October 28th, according to data from CoinMarketCap. The move led to over 78 million in shorts being liquidated. Take that, shorts. And in the words of Bart Simpson, eat my shorts. Ha ha. Which may have contributed to the price spike higher as traders closing their losing bets. Now, Bitcoin's ongoing rally has seen the price flip key areas into potential strong support, namely that 70,000 psychological level, which we melted like butter. Now, analyst Jelly shared the following one last hurdle before price discovery, referring to the supply zone between 72 and the all-time high of 73.8, and we're on the cusp of reclaiming it live and in the flesh. He also points out Bitcoin is heading back to the strong resistance zone at around 71 to 73. Let me know if you agree. Now, Bitcoin's performance October 28th sparked optimism amongst analysts. You can say that again. We're now making predictions as high as how high Bitcoin price can go during this cycle. Guess what? Bitcoin has no top. Fiat has no bottom. We have the old man, Peter Brandt, says Bitcoin price action presented three scenarios based on the two chart patterns, a 5-month inverted expanding triangle and a historical pattern based on the Bitcoin halvings. The first one involved a measured move from the triangle with a target set for 94 Gs. The second scenario involved a swing target determined by projecting the November 2022 low to March 2024 high upward from August 5th, ultimately showing a $235,000 target. Send it. I'm so ready. And he also presented a beautiful symmetry of the past Bitcoin bull market cycles, projecting the bull market cycle high to occur in late August of next year or early September of 2025, setting the peak between $130,000 and $150,000. Let me know if you agree or disagree. The X on the chart marks the probable high date and the price level is outlined on the chart. So there you have it. Also, we have the pi cycle suggesting 150,000 perfectly possible. Let me know if you agree with some of this. And also, quoting ETF expert Balchunas, U.S. spot ETFs are scheduled to hit 1 million Bitcoin held by next Wednesday, past the Satoshi wallets by mid-December. They've been adding about 17,000 biddies per day. That said, anything can happen. An example of violent sell-off and all this delayed, albeit still inevitable. And on the flip, if the prices keep going up, Trump wins. We could see FOMO kick in, and it could all happen very faster. Stay tuned. And it doesn't lie. The numbers right here. Top Bitcoin hodlers of the world. Satoshi, 1.1 million biddies. Binance, 667,000. BlackRock, 408,000. Grayscale, 254,000. MicroStrategy, 252,000. U.S. government, 203,000. Chinese government, 194,000. Bitfinex, 189,000. Fidelity, 186,000. Kraken, 168,000. Block, 164,000. And Robinhood, 140,000. And the crowd is going wild. Bitcoin October is back in full swing. Let's not forget, last year, October, brought us 28% gains. We're only seeing 12% thus far. Back in 2021, 39, virtually 40% gains. In 2020, year of the halving as well, year of the dragon this year, 27% price gains, October in full freaking effect. And checking out some of the live charts, family. Live chart action Jackson for you today as Bitcoin surpasses 72,600. This is the 1 hour. We have a rising wedge, rising like a wedgie up in this mofo. We have a blue target sitting at 72.5. Send that mofo. And we have a bear target, but who cares what the bears think? You know what I mean? They're in hibernation mode right now. Just saying. Somebody please do a welfare check on Peter Schiffmeister. Thank you, guys. Here's the 4-hour chart. Look at that. How many green engulfing candles in this mofo right now. Bullish pennant. JV is lit off the bit fiend. We have a blue target sitting at 81.3. in play, family. That could happen by tomorrow. Anything is possible is what I'm trying to say. 78.8, bullish pennant, 4-hour chart lit like a Christmas tree. Early Santa rally. Let's motherfucking go. And checking out the daily chart, they're all lit like a Christmas tree in this piece. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green consecutive daily closes, and today will be a big green daily close, and maybe we'll continue for the last couple of days, heading into the white paper birthday in 2 days on Halloween Day, family. And we got a Trump pump following 1 week from today. Next Tuesday is presidential election. Trump pump, send that mofo. 100 G's in play. And checking out the 1 week, we still have the sexy cup and handle target sitting at 124,000. Send that mofo and play for here in Q4 sometime. November, December, send that mofo. And zooming out from here, let's check out the 1 month. The 1 month says bullish. We're going to get a very strong October close as expected, as we predicted. And then we're heading into November for the green momentum. Godzilla candles, send it. You already know. But there you go, yo. Welcome everyone to the live stream. History in the making right now, 72,600. All-time high in play. We're only 1,000 away. All-time high in play. We can do it during today's stream. Let's make it happen. We the Bitcoin team with the Bitcoin dream. You know what I mean? And a reminder, over 100,000 Canadian dollars. 1 Bitcoin, 100,000 Canadian dollars. Let that sink in, yo. Guido, they talk, but guess what? I back it up. Thank you, Guido. Just reposted your brother. Greatly appreciate your support. Shout out Toasty Toast with the super. Happier with 72 than Hamzat when he was destroying Whitaker. Happier than Clinton when he was on Epstein's Island with Hillary. Whoa, that deserves a gong, gong, gong. Thank you for the super, broski. Gotta love it. Back to the repost. Mr. Jerry, JV is live. Bitcoin close to the all-time high. Let's motherfucking go. Just reposted your broski. Appreciate it. Bitcoin to the moon. Thank you, Tip Tyler. Just reposted you. Anyone who reposts or comments the stream is getting reposted. Shout it out. Comment it back. And I'm going to spread a lot of love. Much appreciated. You're going to notice the stream. We have a 100% flawless victory right now. 13 hearts and 13 reposts. That is a fantastic 100% like to repost ratio, which is unheard of. So thank you guys. You guys are fantastic. Maybe we'll turn today's pod into a pump watch towards the end. You never know because we're continuing to pump. This is history. I can't help myself right now. This is the Bit Fiend kicking in. No caffeine in the bloodstream today or yesterday or the day before. This is 100% natural. All I got in my blood is the Spindrift. It's a sparkling water with a hint of lime. So that's the Bit Fiend. The Bit Fiend gets all the credit right now. Let's go. Shout out Crypto Surge. Shout out Short Coin. Oracle's finally here. The Pump Watch. You were on the Pump Watch. Thank you everyone tuning into the Pump Watch. We had an 11-hour Pump Watch all night. And guess what? We nailed it. We're right on track. 74 in play all day. It's the Bitcoin slang. 2024 dragons. We don't slay dragons. We dragons that slay. The motive is I'm going to buy some of the biddy. Then buy the biddy. According to the Bitcoin treasuries, the global Bitcoin ETFs hold 1,157,000 of the biddy, exceeding Satoshi's original wallets. Well, there you go, Greg. Ahoy, pirate captain. 6 figures of income, and what's a crack-a-lackin'? Ricky Norwood, welcome to the stream. What's up, Jackson Taylor? Smash the likes. You know what I mean? Repost the stream. Spread the word. We live in the Bitcoin dream. History in the making. One more gong hit as we send Bitcoin to a new all-time high. That's a divine frequency. So you already know. But anyways, family, welcome everyone to the stream. We're live on X, Rumble, and YouTube. New all-time high in play. 554 people on the stream. There's a live poll up on YouTube. Please do let me know towards the end of the stream. We'll end the poll. We'll read the results. But let's continue with the news. We just broke down the latest astrology for the broskies. Let's continue to check out some of the headlines and what's crack-a-lackin'. Bitcoin's path to 80 Gs, fueled by the bullish derivative trends. Send it. Bitcoin may surpass 80,000 before the end of 2024. Heck, we can pass 80,000 before the end of October. Just saying, as derivative markets and hodler profitability show significant bullish signs, according to a report by Bitfinex, the Bitcoin price be heading above 80 Gs based on the structure of the derivative markets. Bitfinex analysts shared with the option market showing potential for a post-United States election rally. Can I get a Trump pump, please? Options market positioning indicates that over the past few weeks, end of the year options have seen a significant rise in call open interest. The December 27th expiry and the calls with an 80,000 strike price have been the primary areas of interest. You damn straight. The psychological resistance to 70 Gs was just broken, and this was for the first time since June 10th, with a Bitcoin price just shy, maybe 1% from the all-time high, because we're only 1,000 away. Let's make it happen, Captain. The upcoming elections are also inspiring more optimism in the Bitcoin ETF buyers, which may also contribute to the Bitcoin price. You're damn right. October 28th, the U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded almost 500 million worth of net positive inflows, the second consecutive day above the 400 million mark, according to Farside data. The data don't lie. Check the scoreboard, broskies. Bitcoin ETFs inflows have been robust over the past 12 trading days, surpassing a cumulative 4 billion, according to Nate Gerasi, president of the ETF store. Quoting him here, over the past 12 trading days, spot Bitcoin ETFs have taken in nearly $4 billion. For context, less than 10% of the 3,800 plus ETFs in existence even have $4 billion in total assets. And that happened within 10 frickin' months. The ETFs didn't go live here in the States, at least the spot, until January 11th. So this is insane. BlackRock now has over 400,000 of those sexy biddies. Gerasi added BlackRock's iBid ETF have accounted for more than 2.6 billion of these inflows during the past 2 weeks, and a victory of Trump in the November 5th election 1 week from today, this Tuesday, family, will widely be seen as a bullish development for the risk assets like the biddy, which have correlated with the Trump rise on election odds, which continue to increase. Nearly 98% of the Bitcoin hodlers are in profit. So congratulations to each and every Bitcoiner watching this stream right now. Kudos, well deserved. You held, you hodled, you did what you're supposed to do. Now you get to reap the rewards. Bitcoin all-time high, 100K in play, send it. Over 97.6% of the Bitcoin hodlers were profitable on their investment as of October 29th, and that's only going to continue to climb along with the Bitcoin price. Still, the last time over 97% of the Bitcoin supply was in the green was all the way back on June 5th, before the price fell from 71 to 56 within a month. So there you go, G.I. Joes and broskies. Welcome, yo. Let's get it. Wish all the Bitcoin fam greatness. Amen. Oh, toss the bricks and their Bitcoin mining purchasing power to the moon, family. Shout out Laura. It's going up forever, Laura.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best?
There is no second best, suckers.
There is no second best.
I'm not saying I'm number one.
I'm sorry I lied. I'm number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Preach. And shout out everyone reposting and commenting the stream. A little proof of work action. Thank you, JC. Our one and only Oracle wrote, continuing to pump. Let's go. New all-time high. Watch the best pod on the planet. And let's go to the moon. Let's go then, shall we? Come watch the Bitcoin news while we pump it up. Pump. Pump, pump. You got it, High Priority Network. Much appreciated. Thank you, fam. We appreciate all the likes, the comments, all that good stuff. 724 viewers on the live stream, and we're just getting started. Today, or the stream we ended from last night, which ended this morning, we had 2,400 concurrent live. I had to end it to do the pod, but you got to do what you got to do. We're going to have another pump watch. We're going to have another pump watch. I heard from Passive. He has been busy, but sends his love. Shout out Passive. Shout out Dankness. Shout out Surge. Loving the Pet Rock gang. Bang, bang, gang, gang. Let's hit the gong for the new all-time high, eh? It's time, isn't it? Flip those cryptos. Welcome to the live stream. History in the making today. Bitcoin on the cusp, 1,000 away. From price discovery. 80,000 is a joke. Once Bitcoin breaks the current all-time high, Bitcoin's first stop is 88,000, if not more. It'll be the blue sky price discovery mode. Let's motherfucking go. Amen. My Yankees don't look like they going to pump, but my Bitcoin is going to the moon. Pump watch. GT Lions will do another pump watch. Send it. All-time highs in play. History in the making. Toasty toast. I bought the biddy for the first time during 2021, around 64 G's. Then bought a lot more pre-having. It's been quite a stressful wait, especially when it hit like 17 in between. But you played the long game. Now you deserve to hear the sound of the gong and the Bitcoin bong rip. You feel me? Hopes from the hopium Bitcoin bong never disappoint. Just saying. Let's go. Been a long time since the winter. It's been a cold winter, hasn't it? But the summer is here. Immutable, 8.4% today. I'll go up 7% for the run. Word, love days like this. Happy days. Monday, Tuesday, Bitcoin days. Wednesday, Thursday, Bitcoin days. You already know. Morning Huddle Gang. Welcome everyone to the #1 daily pod. We holding it down. 800 people live and on the stream. Keep the comments flowing. This is history in the making. We live for days like this. You know what I mean? Let's dive into our next story of the day and continue with the headlines. The Kingdom of Bhutan. Government moves 66 million of their Bitcoin stash to Binance as the price tops now 73 G's. We're on the cusp of hitting 73, family. But anyways, Bhutan's government has started moving its quietly accumulated Bitcoin hodlings as the price soared above the 70,000 key psychological level. The Bhutan government labeled wallet transferred over 66 million worth of the Biddy to a Binance deposit wallet, suggesting it intends to sell the Biddy on the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance. The 66.5 million was transferred in 2 transactions October 29th, according to Arkham Intelligence. As outlined right here on your screen, the government wallet began selling shortly after the Biddy surpassed 70,000 for the first time since June 10th. Significant price levels like 70 G's can lead to volatility, aka life force, including profit taken from the large Bitcoin hodlers known as the whales. Where my whales at? That's whale-tastic, which can impact the price of the Biddy. Now, there you go, yo. The Bhutan government wallet still holds approximately 886 million worth of the Bitcoin, which could create further selling pressure for the Biddy, as the wallet has been mining and holding Bitcoin for over 5 years. Well, I'll tell you this, anyone selling at a time like this is going to face deep regret. Do you hear me? I don't care if you're a sovereign wealth fund. I don't care if you're a nation state. I don't care if you're an individual or a pleb. You don't sell the Bitcoin. Hodl be thy name. Bitcoin mining has become a significant part of the Bhutan economy, with the Bitcoin reserves accounting for over 27% of its 2.9 billion gross domestic product, known as the GDP, in 2023, according to the World Bank data. And in 2023, Bitcoin mining revenue from Bhutan's Druk holding investments was used to fund 50% salary increase for the public servants of the country. And that's according to the local media report. And as of September, Bhutan held twice as much Bitcoin as El Salvador. Shout out Bukele, which adopted Bitcoin over 3 years ago and has netted 31 million in profits since making a Biddy legal tender. Meanwhile, the U.S. elections and China's 1.4 trillion debt plan are fueling this Bitcoin rally. That's right. The Bitcoin price is becoming an uptrend bolstered by an array of macroeconomic bullish factors, and they will only continue. China's plan to potentially raise 1.4 trillion worth of fresh debt could pose a great buying opportunity, BTFD. And that's according to the BitMEX co-founder, Just Blaze, Arthur Hayes, quoting him here. Historically large liquidation infusions can lift risk assets, as seen in the 2020 U.S. COVID-19 stimulus, following the significant COVID-19 relief packages, including direct payments and expanded unemployment benefits. Bitcoin saw the strong upwards trend, increased money supply, and fears of inflation led investors to seek alternative cash. That's right. The Bitcoin price rallied over 400% from March of 2020 to early 2021. How many of you remember the no-bid pump? I remember like it was yesterday. I doubled down on the Biddy. However, the 1.4 trillion policy is unlikely to boost the prices in the short term, according to the analysts. Quoting them here, over the longer term, should China's stimulus stabilize its economy and possibly boost the global liquidity, Bitcoin could see increased buying as a hedge against inflation and currency risks across global markets. Liquidity injections such as this will continue to fuel the risk assets in general and Bitcoin in particular. So there you go, yo. So let me know your thoughts on some of this. Do you think the Bhutan government is selling some of this Bitcoin or just moving it? What's your feedback? Let me know, family, before we dive into our next story of the day and discuss Emory University holding 15 million of the Bitcoin ETFs. And before diving into Bitcoin open interest nearing 23 billion, as analysts warn of a Bitcoin price euphoria, as well as $1 million Bitcoin, revisiting Max Keiser's classic 2013 prediction, which is exactly 11 years old today. Long live the high priest, the one and only. Oh my God, look at that price of the Biddy, 72.7. I did only because I have a chest cold. Dang, sorry to hear about the chest cold. I need some of the coffee to catch up to JV's excitement. This is caffeine-free, JV. I haven't had caffeine in the last 3 days. This is pure Bit Fiend, because I'm a Bitcoin fiend. It is time for Buffett and Berkshire to start buying the Biddy. They have 300 billion, which is dropping in the purchasing parity. The Larry Fink, the Michael Dell, and the Sailor need to talk to him. Stat Amen. New all-time high in the range. God candle. Send it, Judson. I'm coming. Prepare for the uncontrolled joy. Amen. JV bursting with excitement today, baby. Let's motherfucking go. Yes. October is rising. October in full effect.
Bitcoin. What's the second best? There is no second best.
Don't forget, Microsoft has about 75 billion cash. They have the Stockholm meeting soon, and on the ballot, the allocation for the biddy, 10%, 7 billion of the Bitcoin. Let's go. I'm 90% of the biddy at 180,000 Bitcoin. I'll take some gains and go to 70% and on. I want order more miners there today. I can't wait. Shout out Gavin. I've had enough coffee for you, JV. Amen. Oracle, I think I heard you say you were sipping on a 40-ounce late last night. You got to do what you got to do. I'm naturally high. It's a beautiful thing. I appreciate the Bit Fiend. The beautiful thing about the Biddy is Biddy the beautiful thing. 220 people on the tube. Shout out to the YouTube fam, the Rumble fam. This is a tri-stream. 1,000 people total. Shout out to the X fam holding it down. I'm going to repost everyone. Anyone reposting the live. Shout out Petri. Now we live. Shout out Petri. Just reposted Jabrowski. Shout out T. Continuing to pump. Let the all-time high go. Watch the best pod on the planet. Let's go to the moon. Thank you. And again, high priority. Guido, Mr. Jerry, Tip, Tyler, the rest of the fam. Appreciate all the comments, all the reposts, all the likes, all the subs. Let's go. I'm on the coffee now. Right on Fairground. Bitcoin new all-time high. Let's keep it moving with the gong. 73.8. In play, 74 G's all day today. Send it. JV is not playing around. I brought the chucks. The first time on stream last night, I brought out the chucks. And look at that, 72.6. So kudos to the chucks. We're holding it down today. Where's the Nippinator? In the other room, apparently. In the other room. He can't handle the Bit Fiend excitement of the JV today. It is what it is. Keep the comments flowing. Bitcoin up 4,000 on the day. History in the making. That means every whole coiner, you're up at least 4 G's in unrealized profits today. And imagine being a 10 Bitcoin hodler or a 100 Bitcoin hodler or a Michael Saylor where you have 10 billion Bitcoins. You're up 10 billion quadrillion dollars. Get it on. Bang the gong. Here, have some coffee after you brew this pot. Ah, yeah, man. When 100K? You tell me. That's my question for you. When will we hit the epic 6-figure milestone? Holla, holla, holla. Diana, good to have you on the stream. Shout out Don George. Shout out Crypto McCrypto. Let's continue with the headlines, shall we? Emory University, anybody? Emory University holds 15 million of the Bitcoin. According to the latest filing, they accumulated Bitcoin ETF shares worth upwards of 15 million, according to the October 25th regulatory filing. This makes Emory, and that is Andrew Tate's father's name, believe it or not, Emory Tate. So rest in peace, Emory. The first college endowment to report holding shares in a Bitcoin ETF. Eric Balchunas, Bloomberg ETF analyst, said in the October 28th post, Emory holds nearly 2.7 million shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust, worth nearly 15 million at the time of the filing, according to the disclosure, quoting them here. With that, every institution type is now represented in the Bitcoin ETF 13Fs. Well, there you go. And referring to the public disclosures of large U.S. investment managers must file quarterly. The emergence of Bitcoin ETFs in January has helped legitimize Bitcoin as an asset class. Like we need Larry Finkster to legitimize Bitcoin as an asset class, but whatever. Keep pumping our bags, Larry. Now go home and get your shine box, just saying. Sparking widespread adoption amongst the institutional investors. Bring it. The state of Michigan retirement system reported investments in the spot Bitcoin ETF offered by the ARC21 shares. The approximate value of the shares at this time was roughly 6.6 million. Just a small percentage of the fund's billions of dollars in assets. And crypto funds accounted for 13 of the 25 largest ETF launches this year by inflows through August, according to a post by Nate Gerasi, president of the ETF store. What kind of stuff do they sell at that ETF store? I would imagine Bitcoin ETFs. I don't know. Bitcoin has dominated the ETF landscape this year, accounting for 6 of the top 10 most successful launches of 2024, and several Ether ETFs launched in July, attracting upwards of $1 billion in net inflows to date. Now, issuers are seeking to register ETFs for other tokens, including Solana and XRP. In July, Securities Exchange CBOE asked regulators for permission to list VanEck and 21 shares plan Solana ETFs. In October, the ETF issuers Canary Capital and Bitwise both filed for a proposed XRP ETFs. So there you go, yo. Bitcoin in full swing, and the Nippinator is back with another indicator, and the indicator never lies. The Nippinator indicator, we got it the other day, and we have been pumping like a madman ever since. And we're not slowing down. Coffee, crypto, and a burrito. Preach. Craw, craw. Shout out to the Moonstone. Whoop, whoop. Send it. Over 100,000 Canadian dollars per biddy. Let that one sink in. Before you know it, it'll be 100 US dollars per biddy, and we will continue to climb. That's just the nature of the beast. That's the nature of the beast. I don't make up the rules. You know what I mean? You got to play by the rules of the game. Anyways, welcome everybody. Good to have you guys here with us.
There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? The point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura.
He ain't telling no lies. I can't say pump 69 anymore. You sure can't. Now we're going to be saying pump 79, pump 89, pump 99, 199, 299, 399, 999. Let's go. Thank you, Crypto Surge. We live. Just reposted your broski. Oh, shiz. We early. 12 p.m. stream today. You got to do what you got to do. Get the latest Bitcoin news every day. Proof of work. Thank you, Matthew McCrae. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you guys for the repost. History in the making. $1,000 away from price discovery. Price discovery. Let's freaking go. Do you guys want to pump watch after today's pod ends? We'll keep it moving. There's already 1,100 people here. By the time today's podcast ends, we'll have 3,000. And then if we turn it into a pump watch, we'll end up with 10,000. Watch. Mark my motherfucking words. 11 million yen for the biddy. Cheers. Shout out to the Moonstone. Shout out to the Judson. Steve Bannon is out, baby. War Room. It will be lit. We just sent out Saturday. Stack and Saturday didn't disappoint. Got the 1 week, 2 week vacay home, going on to Bitcoin explode mode. I need a vacation right now. You already know. No more often. Shout out to the Don George. Shout out to the rest of the crypto fam. I'm on the Bit Fiend. Natural. Just sipping on a spindrift today. No caffeine, no coffee in my bloodstream. Just a hint of lime is all it takes when you got the Bit Fiend naturally in the bloodstream. You know what I mean? JV got the chucks. It's not often I bring out the chucks. This is a very special occasion. New all-time highs in play. Bears, watch out. I challenge a bear to try to rain on my parade today. I'll pull out the chucks. I'm not playing any games. Did you get any sleep last night? I did. We kept the pump watch all night, but I went to bed like 1 a.m. So I got a little bit of sleep. A little bit. Tate must be doing well, even though they stole all his cars. They had to give him back all his assets, by the way, Toasty Toast. They got all their assets returned. My town became the first in South Carolina to put the pension fund into the biddy. I orange pilled them just before the pump. Let's go. Shout out to the Oracle. That's why she is the Oracle. Party in Puerto Rico 2025. Let's go. Let's freaking send it, shall we? Let's continue with the news. Keep the comments flowing, broskies. Again, this is a live stream, history in the making. We're live on X, Rumble, and YouTube. I'm going to be streaming for the next potentially 8 hours. We're just going to keep it moving. I don't know. We got about another hour worth of news and content, and then we may just turn this mofo into a pump watch. That's granted. You guys want a pump watch. Shout out Viggs. What up, JV? Appreciate the super, broski. This one's for you. Thank you for that super. It truly does help out with the algo, getting more eyeballs on a stream. Appreciate that. Love me some pumpy price action. JC said, read the comments. Oh, wow. I think I had Rumble open instead of YouTube, so I didn't even see your comments. Let me open up the YouTube. Yeah, let's see what JC has to say. My town, yeah, that's pretty fantastic. You help with the pension funds, with the Bitcoin investment. That's lit. I love it. I love it. But yeah, keep the comments flowing. This history into making a very special stream today. You don't get many days like this. You know what I mean? But I'm telling you, over the course of the next year, you're going to have many days like this. But sayonara to the 70,000 price action. See you later. But let's continue with the news. Next story of the day. Let's discuss the open interest. Then we'll discuss the $1 million prediction. Max, the prophet himself, predicted back in 2013, exactly 11 years ago today. We'll revisit it. But here we go. Bitcoin open interest nears 23 billion as analyst warns of a Bitcoin price. One of my favorite words, euphoria. Let's go. Bitcoin needs a stronger breakout to secure a multi-month long uptrend. According to analysts, Bitcoin may be attacking resistance near the all-time highs, but still has some convincing to do. I don't know. I'm pretty convinced right now. What are your thoughts? Market strength is already making traders blind to the risks, according to the trader Kabar. He suggests everyone is trying to force their positions with their analysis. Markets do not care about your analysis or position. You step to the line and take what generates a signal for you. Now, analyzing the long-term pricey action, Kabar said the monthly candle closes above 73.7 were needed to confirm a reliable Bitcoin price breakout. I'm waiting for that monthly breakout. We may be here right now, yo. I did on gold, because that will be the smart multi-month long uptrend from the current levels. He also said October is possibly closing at the horizontal resistance. Let's see what November brings in terms of the candle size. Godzilla candle, send it. I'm not saying anything, but Godzilla ain't got ish on me. And my Denzel impersonation, broskies. The post referenced earlier the analysis from September, which nonetheless described Bitcoin pressuring the all-time high resistance. Super bullish. You can say that again. I'm not a bull or a bear, he says. I'm just trying to read the price chart for the possible advantage I can gain from the price action. I can say this with confidence. Any knee-jerk resistance I get in a post-bullish setup is because that person missed the pullback and hoping for the lower levels to get back on board. Now, other market commentators expressed concern over the mushrooms, yes please, open interest across the trading venues. Psilocybin, please. But anyways, the risk management should be thorough, according to the Crypto Lion, a contributor to the on-chain analytics platform Crypto Quant. Now, their data estimated open interest at about 22.7 billion at the time of this recording. Fellow contributor Axel said, and I ain't talking about Axel Rose, that roughly 50% of the tally was held by the bears. Take that, bears. There's no need to hesitate in liquidating them to drive the price up. So there you have it. Yo, let me know if you agree or disagree with some of that analysis. But the open interest. See, we got 1,200 people live and in the flesh. Let's go. 225,000 before the end of the year. Send it, Oracle. If you're gaining value, smash the likes. It's the least you can do. I appreciate that. 22 to 750, 2025. Send it. And let's not forget it. Amen. Amen.
Take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin. Then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin.
Stack the biddy. That's the name of the game here, broskies. Don't forget, we're live on X, Rumble, and YouTube. This is the type of live stream that's once in a lifetime because we're about to recapture price discovery. This only happens one time. You know what I mean? So pretty big deal around here. And you can tell from the excitement in my voice, I'm not on caffeine. I had no coffee today, no coffee yesterday, no coffee the day before. Just straight up bit fiend, because I'm a Bitcoin fiend. Fiending for the biddies. Smoking. Thank you, Crypto Today. I understood you had a little error there. 220 to 750. Send it, Surge. It is time. Let's send this mofo to the moon, where no man has ever gone before. The impossible, there's no such thing. The wonderful thing about the biddy is biddy the wonderful thing. But there you go. Keep the comments flowing, family. And don't forget, there's a live poll in the YouTube. I encourage the 1,000+ of you over on X watching the live stream, which is our biggest cohort audience. Head on over to the YouTube. Show us some support. Anyone who subscribes to the channel gets an on-screen shout out, a personal shout out from yours truly, and it helps support the stream. And there's a live poll. Let us know when you feel the Bitcoin all-time high will be reached before the end of October, first week of November, before the end of November or December. Holla, let me know. 0.01 biddy equals 1,000 soon. You got to dig it. JBZ, hit the like, you bunch of degens. All-time high, send it. This is for the all-time high in play. 100K, another 100K, another 100K. That's 300K on the way, on the lay, motherfrickin' on the way. But did you buy the dip today or did you let it slip away? Like Cinderella slipper, a 100K Bitcoin grenade.
Pump, 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 pump it up. Pump, 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 pump.
Come on now, Trump pump. 1 week from today, next Tuesday is the election day. Trump sending this mofo to 100 G's. Should I buy an iPhone 16 Pro? I just got this 16 Pro. I dig it. But here's the question. Or should I buy more Bitcoin gains? I mean, it's up to you, brother. Whatever you want to do. Like, smashed, and show reposted. Thank you, Diana. I appreciate that. Thank you, everyone in advance. Anyone who like or repost the stream over on X. It helps out a lot. gets more eyeballs on a stream. It helps us pump it up. We're pumping it up right now, yo. It's that time. It is that time. Let's go. Mr. Bone Daddy just gifted 5 memberships to the channel. Congratulations, Auto Man, War Paint, Ender's Game, Blaze, Just Blaze, and Laserface. You've all been hooked up with the MicroStrategy membership of the channel. On behalf of Mr. Bone Daddy, this is dedicated to y'all. You gotta love it. 0.1 Bitcoin, $7,228. Music to my ears, brothers. Music to my ears. Bitcoin having performance. Shout out Leon Lieber. This gong's for you. Thanks for the sub. What's the best way to buy the MicroStrategy stock? That's a good question. Stockholders, Greg, what is the best way? Let us know. Since the inception, the first halving, 98x, second halving, 48x, third halving, 7x, fourth halving. Can we get a 10x? Can we get a 10x? 10x will send us to 720,000 per biddy. Let that one sink in, family. 720,000 per biddy. Bring it. No diddy. No diddy.
If it's not going to 0, it's going to 1 million. It's either nothing.
Bukele is going to be voted back into power due to his foresight, 100%. Bukele 2020, what is it, 2029? I already have the hat. Bukele 2029, let's go. I'm just praying the Oracle's predictions are spot on with the name like the Oracle, like it's got to be spot on. 10x, please. Send it. 720,000 per biddy. We're up 4,000 on the day. That's just what a 5% gain. Remember, I shared a throwback from 5 years ago, like 2 days ago. And it was 5 years ago. Bitcoin soared 26% on the day. It rose from like 7,400 to 9,400. So what's a 5% gain on the daily when we can see a 25% gain? Yeah, I mean, we're talking pretty serious price action now, brothers. The best way to get the MicroStrategy is, and it's gone. Okay. Free Ross. That's right. 73 in play. Look at that. We're inching closer and closer to 73,000. But now let's dive into our feature story of the day. $1 million Bitcoin, revisiting the one and only Max Keiser's 2013 prediction. Let's break this down. And here's the prediction. Pete Rizzo points out Max Keiser predicting a $1 million Bitcoin price exactly 11 years ago today. True at $200, true at 70,000. Shout out to the high priest of Bitcoin, Max Keiser, the one and only legend. And why Max Keiser is a Bitcoin legend? If you've never seen this post, this is worthy. Before we get into the prediction, personal advisor to El Salvador's president, Bitcoin hodler since it was under $1. Not many OGs can say I've been hodling the biddy since it was under $1. Not only that, but he has all the receipts. He's been telling you about Bitcoin since it was $1 back in 2011 via the Keiser Report with Stacey Herbert. The best financial show to ever be created. Not filled with FUD like the mainstream, but filled with the truth. Check it. Number 2, on December 24, 2010, Max became the first mainstream journalist to profile Bitcoin. The price was just 30 cents. The records don't lie. Read the receipts, broskies. Number 3, 2011. This is the infamous episode. Max was openly discussing why Bitcoin was a threat to government currencies. He called Bitcoin the story of the decade, the currency of the resistance, the global insurrection against banker occupation. Hang the bankers. We're running out of patience. Start with Jamie Dimon. I'm sick of all his statements. You feel me? Number 4, when Bitcoin was $1 in 2011, Max told Peter Shifty to buy the biddy. He didn't, and now Max trolls him relentlessly. Well-deserved, Peter Shifty. Now Peter Shifty is hanging out at Walmarts at parties in Puerto Rico. You can't make this ish up. Number 5, in 2011, Max declared the biggest story of the decade. He nailed it. Facts. You can't argue with that. Number 6, 2012, Max told Tim Pool to buy the biddy. He's now an investor and an advocate. Everyone buys the Bitcoin at the price they deserve. Quoting Tim Pool, Max in 2012, Tim, I'm telling you to buy the biddy. Listen to us, you'll be rich. Me in 2012, yeah, I don't know, maybe. Me in 2023, damn it, right? Hindsight is 2020, they say. And at $30 in 2013, Max became the first Bitcoin millionaire in the world. He announced it. He proclaimed it. He says it feels great to be a Bitcoin millionaire. You run the math. That means Max is one of the biggest Bitcoin hodlers in the entire planet. But he lost it all in a boating accident. What are you going to do? Ish happens sometimes. Yeah, I mean, number 8, in 2014, Max gave podcaster Russell Brand 1,000 Bitcoin for free. He says he lost them. Well, didn't we all? In a boating accident. They'd be worth $70 million today. Probably a little more with today's price pump. Number 9, the president of El Salvador gave him a Bitcoin cake on his birthday. Look at that Bitcoin grenade. Bitty, bitty, boom. And shout out to our one and only fearless leader, Bukele. And in 2022, Max offered to pay Mexico's third richest man to put a Bitcoin logo on his personal jet. That's Ricardo Salinas. Max also attributed to helping to orange pill the third richest man in Mexico. And guess what? Bitcoin has been his best investment, according to Ricardo Salinas, I've heard in an interview. And number 11, Max went on stage at the Bitcoin conference and did this after Tesla sold. F Elon. In fact, he went on a tour called F Elon, keeping it 100. So, do you have a favorite Max moment? Do let us know. Now let's get a little deeper into the prediction from this story, which was just published October 29th here today. And let's go. A decade-old interview with financial commentator Max Keiser, the high priest, has resurfaced, highlighting one of the earliest public predictions of the Bitty reaching $1 million per coin. The 2013 forecast, based on Bitcoin's potential share of the global Forex market, offers an interesting historical perspective on early crypto price projections. And again, we got nothing but receipts to share with you today. Speaking during the Bitcoin early years, Keiser characterized the crypto as a currency of the resistance, emphasizing the potential to enable dependent economic systems outside traditional financial structures. His analysis pointed to specific use cases, such as providing financial alternatives to countries like Greece facing economic challenges. The prediction drew from analysis by Rick Falkvinge, who projected Bitcoin to capture between 1 and 10% of the global Forex market. This share calculation of the market led to the price range estimate of $100,000 to $1 million per Bitcoin. Keiser's commentary focused on the Bitcoin fundamental role in the challenging centralized economic control, describing the protocol as containing the seed of the revolution. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution is here. He specified, criticized, and centrally planned economies of Britain and the U.S., suggesting the Bitty offered an alternative to systems controlled by the kleptocrats. That's right. And so there you go. Max Keiser, well ahead of his time, the one and only high priest. Let me know when you feel Bitcoin will likely smash that 1 million price target, which we're talking about right now. Bitcoin to $1 million per coin. Let me know, family. I'm going to read your comments out loud. Welcome, everyone, to the Q&A segment of the live show as we continue to pump. 72.8. This is a week before the Trump pump. Alex Jones just walled off air live. What is walked off air live? What happened there, Don? Clue me in, brother. Shout out to the Surge. Don't you know, pump it up. This one's for you, JC.
Pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up.
And shout out Shandy, the #1 Bitcoin music channel, hands down. Make sure to subscribe, Shandy 10 Music. We love her music.
Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up.
Now answer your phone, JC. 72.9 is here. We're going to hit 73. We're roughly less than $1,000 away from price discovery. History in the making, fam. History in the making. So, this is just incredible. So, decision time. We just finished the news. The news is done. My job is done. Now we can have fun. We can chillax. We could check out the charts. Now it's up to you. Do you want me to end the YouTube stream and just go uncensored on Rumble and kick it for the next hour and then end the stream like a normal pod? Or do you want to do a hybrid? Do something special for a special day? Do you want to keep the stream going? And let's just look at the charts. Considering the charts are crazy right now, do you want to do something different and just keep the YouTube stream running, keep all the streams running, and just switch it over to the live charts? Pump it up. We're going to pump it up. We're going to pump it up.
Pump it up. Pump it up.
Keep it going. We're going to keep it going then. The people have spoken. The broskies have spoken. Keep it moving. All right, yo. You get what you want. You get what you asked for. Live pump watch. Live and in the flesh. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Yeah, let's look. Let's see what time preference you guys want to put put it on. Let's check out some different looks. Here's the 10-minute. Everything looking lit right now. We'll zoom out from there. Check out the 1 hour. The 1 hour. Yeah, look at that 1 hour chart, yo. In 5 minutes, we get a new candle. We got a rising wedge. Looky here. Looking lit like a mofo. Keep it moving. Thanks. Stay on the YouTube for the Bitcoin pump. Tracks last night. Great. Shout out to Chandy. That's all her music. That's all original music you're going to find at Chandy 10 Music over on the tube. Make sure to subscribe. #1 Bitcoin music channel. Hands down. Hands down. I just want to say all you Bitcoin are my friends. I don't know you personally, but it's been a long journey. Thank you. All-time high in the next hour, JV. I feel it. We're just going to leave the stream running. Typically, we do an hour uncensored. I'd end the stream. I'd upload the pod, yada, yada, yada. But we're just going to keep it running. You know what I mean? And I'm going to sit here as long as I could before I got to pick up my daughter. And then we'll still keep it running. And then I'll come back after I pick up my daughter from school. And we'll see Bitcoin at a new all-time high. Sound like a game plan? Can I get a gong hit for that? If Trump wins the 100 G's, send it. If Bitcoin hits 100 this year, I can afford to go full carnivore, which gives me the best weight training gains. 1 minute chart is more exciting when watching a pump. The people have spoken. We got to do what the people want. Here's the 1 minute chart, family. We do have a target sitting on the 1 minute. It's currently at 73,000. The good news is in 4 minutes, we get a lot of new candles on the different charts, so we'll be switching it up. Duckless says, thank you. Shout out Fairground. Craw, thanks, JV. You're welcome. Hybrid for the DNA. MicroStrategy earnings report tomorrow. Market close should be interesting. A gong hit. Let's do it. Go Trump. Let's get rich. Come on, Trump. Make us rich, brother. 100,000 in the works. Let's go, Michael. Fiat's going down forever, Laura. Please repost the stream, family. This is history in the making right now. This is a pretty big deal. Bitcoin's over $100,000 Canadian. You know what I mean? This is a big deal. Repost the stream over on the X. Over on X, we already have over 1,000 folk. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. We're going to keep this stream going and flowing. You know what I mean? Anyone else do the carnivore? Got rid of all my inflammation in my shoulders. Biceps, triceps grew like the Bitcoin grows. I don't know nothing about the carnivore lifestyle. I haven't eaten meat since I was 16. U.S. intel agencies are telling police and sheriffs to prepare for an insurrection after a contested election, JV. Whoa. Why am I not surprised? Crazy. What's the poly market odds today? Did they increase from 67% yesterday? Someone let me know, yo. Let me know. Manifest. Hope is alive. Thank you, God, and thank you, Satoshi, and thank you, CNA fam. Shout out, Chandy. Why do they expect an insurrection? What is planned? Let's just say no good. Let's just say no good. No good in the hood. 2 more minutes. We're going to get some new candles. So let's check some different charts. Let's check out where are we at in the 4 hour. Here's the 4 hour chart, live and in the flesh. Okay, we get 3 more hours into a new candle, but clearly very bullish on the 4 hour. We do have a 81,300 target. I'd love to see that come into play. Let's, being we're at the top of the hour, let's just look at the 1 hour chart until we get a new candle, and then we'll switch the time preference. This is the 1 day. Holy moly. Holy moly. That's the 1 day. I meant to go to the 1 hour. My bad. 1 hour chart. We get a new candle in less than a minute, 57 seconds. Very bullish. This is the 1 hour chart, family. JV, what do we call those who treat fiat as a store of value? We call them poor. We call them poor. Could be 75,000 before then. Curiosity killed the cat. What we were talking about when you thought I was being funny last night developed into a colorful evening, so I have temporary amnesia. Just curious. Carnivore works. I lost 60 pounds in 5 months. Went from 250 pounds to 190. Feels great. No pain. Inflammation went away. That's a win, Duckless. Congratulations. That's right, Knoxville. That's what we call them. Bitcoiners are soldiers. We're soldiers, doo-doo, engaged in the global economic warfare. That's right, Benvy. We call them...
Like, most of the people who are buying assets, at some point...
We call them poor. We call them poor. Shout out to the CNA fam.
Making our way for Bitcoin today takes everything we've got.
Everything we got, broskies.
Want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use
Bong the gong, JV.
Taking a break from political worries sure would help a lot.
fiat currency as a store
of value. Okay, so the odds is 66.7. That's on KV. What about Polymarket? Is it the same or similar? If Bitcoin hits 100,000 this year, I'll stop making fun of Lynn Alden for 69 days. Come on now, Toasty Toast. Calling all Bitcoin troopers. The rise up. JV is live. We resurrected Bitcoin like Lazarus from the dead. All hail Jesus.
store of value. We call them poor. We call them poor.
She's got a damn beautiful voice. Toasty Toast, did you have carb withdrawals? Ask Bobby Digi. Yeah, you know who is he? 73 incoming.
Wouldn't you like to make fiat go away?
Nice. So that's a pretty good lead. Polymarket odds. Thank you. Benny, AJV, where'd you buy your gong? Amazon. This is the brand Zildjian. It's the highest rated gong I can find. So there you go. I researched the ratings. It was the best rated one. It's a legitimate musical instrument one. It's not just like a cheap little one, but this is a legit musical instrument that people use in maybe orchestras or wherever people use gongs. You know what I mean? So highly recommend it. I love it. Is that kombucha you're drinking, JV? No, I haven't drank kombucha in a hot minute. This is a Spindrift. Less calories, less sugar, or zero sugar. All it is carbonated water with a hint of juice. So the ingredients just say carbonated water and lime juice. No sugar added. So unlike kombucha, Spindrift has no sugar. Sugar's poison. If you don't know, now you know. Hype the chat, hit the like, show your support for JV and the Pirate Crew. Anyone who sends any supers or anything special gets a gong hit. That's how we roll. Year of the gong. Deer season starts next weekend. Practicing on the deer. What kind of hunting? What kind of weapons are you using, brother? JV, no more bathwater talk. No more bathwater. I'm glad you brought it up. No more bathwater, broskies. The BRICS nation should be using the biddy instead of the new currency. Of course. And maybe they will. Maybe they will. You know what I mean? And every nation should mine the biddy. Didn't Trump say he'd make America the Bitcoin mining capital of the world? Trump pump. 1 week away, family. Election week. 1 week away. Spindrift is great. Did you find the blood orange? No, they don't have the blood orange at the Costco. All they have is the mixed one with like lemon, lime, grapefruit. So I probably have to special order that one. Shout out DT. This gong is for you. Thanks for the sub. Gong, 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 gong. Keep it going. We keep it moving, baby. It's a replica gong off the Monkey Magic set. Exactly. The Monkey Magic set. Precisely where I got it from. You guys are awesome. Let me check the X feed. Proof of work here. Thank you guys for the repost. Zach Coons. Let's go Bitcoin. Amen. Amen. And thank you again, Max Keiser, for the repost on the post, brother. And Bihavesh, thank you for the repost. We appreciate it. It helps get more eyeballs on the stream as we continue to live the Bitcoin dream. It's the Bitcoin kids. Let's see what's trending here on my X profile. Melania Trump speaks on the assassination attempts, court cases, Trump being called Hitler. She says, I'm very selective of what I do and where I go. It is very dangerous out there. My husband is not Hitler, and his supporters want to see the country successful. He does this because he loves his country. The court cases are part of the politics. I knew it would not be easy, and they would go after him. I always tell my husband, good luck, be safe, life is fragile, and we need to enjoy it every day. What a strong woman Melania is. And that's Melania Trump making the rounds on Fox News. Well said. Well said. Now, I did notice that the Trump Rogan pod was like ultimately delisted in a way where you couldn't find it in the search. You had to like know how to go to the channel. They make it difficult to find it, and it still had 36 million views. So I saw this morning Joe Rogan posted it directly on X. Very smart move, Joe. Very smart move. We call them
people that use fiat.
JV, one-man band. Haha. That's right, I'm the lead singer of my band.
Currency.
What do we call him, folk?
All those nights when you've got no lights, the check is in the mail, and you knew you needed some biddy.
Who else needs the biddy?
So you caught
Tiger by the tail. 72.9, less than 100 away from claiming 73. We're inching closer and closer to price discovery history in the making. Live stream mofos, let's go.
the tiger by its tail, and you're big.
Nice. JD Vance is on Rogan tomorrow. Send it. And then they should have Melania on the following day. And then Ivanka. Let's go.
Corner life feels like a rodeo.
Precisely. Melania is not Big Mike. That's for sure.
Sometimes you want to go where everybody knows.
I'll second that. Melania is very hot. Bitcoin only needs another 1.2% to crack the all-time high. Let's motherfucking go.
What's your name? And they're always glad you came.
No Bitcoin taxes. Preach.
You want to be where you can see.
Big Mike should be a linebacker for the Dallas Cowboys. That's my vote.
Our Bitcoin love is all the same. You want to be where everybody knows your name.
We call them the core. We call them the core. We call them the core.
Shout out Mikey Saylor, the Giga Chad, MSTU for the win today. What's MSTU stand for there, Clifford? Clue me in. Clue me in. The first lady of crypto. That's right, Crypto McCrypto. And we do sell merch. We do have a merch store at merch.cryptonewsalerts.net. There's a lot of different ways to support us, family. And I list them all in the description of the YouTube channel and on the Rumble. So whether it's subscribing, becoming a member, the Patreon, donations, any way you can support us, if you're able to, is greatly appreciated. Even if it's only smashing the like, it's free to do so. Reposting the stream, it's free to do so, and it does help support us. So thank you.
Roll out of bed.
Fiat is dead. The BTC
is looking bright.
Amen. There's Chandy. Gong, 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 gong. Just a piece of it will do it. That's right. We're going to get a gong hit, and we're going to play the gong track. We started to play it earlier, and then I got sidetracked. This is the version 2, though. I forgot to upload the version 1. So version 1 we'll play for tomorrow. We'll keep playing version 2.
But Bitcoin is on, yep, on. Our trouble's about to be gone. So let's manifest, create, celebrate, and anticipate Bitcoin soaring, going.
Oh yeah, let's change the time frame now that we hit the top of the hour. This is the 1 hour. Let's go to 3 minute. Let's see how it looks. This is a 3 minute chart. Let's take a quick look at the 1 minute chart. That's the 1 minute. Let's take a quick look at the 30-second chart. And we'll get different looks. Take a quick look at the 10-second chart. I mean, I'm looking at the zoomed out time frames just because the market is so bullish. It looks so sexy like that. Yeah, I mean, I can look at that all day. So we're just going to leave the 1 hour up for a moment. Let's go. Gong, 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 gong.
Come on, we waited so long.
And congrats, that's your 10th super. That's super fantastical.
So hit that gong, I'ma bang it, loving those vibes. Gong, JV and do it up right. We want the gong ride, JV, you know it's gong time.
Wow, Coinbase taking 30 minutes to send the biddy. The charts are looking beautiful. I know, it's so sexy. I'm just going to stay there for a moment. The 1 hour chart looking lit. I need to hear the little bubble jam. I don't know if I have all-time high on here, but I got this one.
Look, pump it up if your game and went low.
When the dip hit, you just ape like King Kong.
When the dip hit, you just ape like King Kong.
Yeah, it looks so sexy. I don't mind just staring at it. I feel you, Omar. We can just stare at this all day. Yeah.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
JV is the new Chuck Barris. The House of Hilarious, The Gong Show. Unknown comic up in here. I bought this morning early. Well, congratulations, Mr. Bone Daddy, and congratulations. I'm pretty confident every single Bitcoiner watching is in profit. Every single one of you. Why? Because Bitcoin is at virtually 73,000 right now. Unless you bought at the very top of 73.8, you're in profit. Safe to say 99.9% of the market is in the green. Baby. Ding-a-ding-a-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding. Word up. Shout out DJ Wednesday holding down Dorado, Puerto Rico. Let's go to the moon, baby.
But Bitcoin is on, our trouble's about to be gone. So let's manifest, create, celebrate, and anticipate Bitcoin store.
Yeah, in fact, JBZ, Coinbase could go down any minute now. As we approach price discovery, there's a good probability the Coinbase exchange goes down because it does virtually every single time we get near price discovery. And I don't think it's a coincidence, but nonetheless, it is what it is. Stack the biddies accordingly, family.
Going. Come on, we waited so long.
I know, Oracle. You answered your phone already. I may have to call you back.
Long, so hit that gong, I'ma bang it, a roll of and those vibes. Thomas JB and do it up right. We want the gong ride. JB, you know it's gong time. Gong.
All right, let's call the Oracle.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know?
Yeah, MicroStrategy been crushing, broski. Shout out Mob Marley. What it do?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
And shout out everyone on X, Rumble, and YouTube. We just finished the news with the podcast. We had to end the pump watch from last night. We ended it this morning. We went for 11 hours. We ended it. This is the pod we just completed, and we keep it moving. We turned it into a hybrid pump watch just because we're pumping like a mofo right now. And it's very warranted, and that's what you guys want. So we're going to continue to pump watch, and I'm going to kick it with you guys as long as I can. Let's go. Is it time to use leverage? Ask Toasty Toast. Well, just note, it's high risk. If we have a little correction, you get wiped out. That's just the nature of the beast. So use leverage very carefully if you do use it in the first place.
More than 5 shots and you stacked and get it on. Had the people on my back to get a song. Very broke, have a token.
We smoked them like a bong, and then we hit them with the gong. Ha.
Right? If it's nothing, then it's getting scrubbed out and banned.
Now, we all know Bitcoin is the best asset.
And of course, we now know that it's not getting banned. Right?
You agree?
There's no way that Fidelity, Citadel, BlackRock, Charles Schwab, Deutsche Bank, Credit Agricole, Banco Santander,
And there is no second best asset.
all decide they're interested in this, right? They're not endorsing a tulip bulb.
And that is why we are here, right?
Oh, shout out to my girlfriend, Erica, please. We are listening now. Trying to orange pillar. This one's for you, Erica. Thank you for tuning in. I know Bitcoin succeeding, going into profit means something different for everyone. Although I'm a hodler all the way, I still need to glorify God. I need to praise God out loud. God works in our lives. Amen to that. I'm glad you actually pointed that out, Chandy. All praise to God. Without God, none of us would be here today, and we wouldn't have Bitcoin. That's just a fact. There is no second best. That's right, Alexandre. No leverage, everyone. Ding, da, ding, ding, dong. Leverage equals liquidity equals stupidity. Why? Poor stop losses are hunted down by liquidity hunting, high frequency algo bots across the most exchanges. God works in mine and he gets all the glory. I am not that smart or amazing or special. God chose to lead me into the biddy, and I believe it is my single best hope at a good life and of out of pain. Amen, Chandy. Very well spoken there. All praise to God. Shout out to my Uncle Lou. Shout out Uncle Lou. This one's for you, bro. God's fingerprints are all over the Bitcoin. Agreed. 100%. There's a quote from Max. Bitcoin is God hacking humanity. Such a profound quote. Shout out to the high priest. And welcome everyone on the live stream. 1,400 people. Live it in the flesh. Bitcoin is hope. Amen. Funny thing, I come from X this to see the same thing here. Exactly. The difference, you get to comment. On X, you can watch, but you don't get to participate in the on-screen chat. So that's why we encourage folks over on X to visit the YouTube. You know what I mean? That way you can actually interact in the chat, and every single comment you say is live on screen. And also I do my best to read as many of the comments out loud. Not many other podcasters do that, but that's one of the things I pride myself in. I want to give you guys a platform to speak your thoughts. You know what I mean? Orange pill the world. I hope Elon held his biddies. If he is smart, Chandy will get her wish, says Grant Noakes. Amen. Mushrooms, food of the gods. Agree. Terrence McKenna referred to the mushrooms as God's little helpers. So thank you, little helpers. We appreciate you. Psilocybin for the win. 73 in play. We're only 100 away. What more can I say? We do have a live poll on the YouTube. We're live on X, Rumble, and the YouTube. If you guys can repost the stream over on X, it's greatly appreciated. This history in the making. So let's go. Bitcoin Boet. I went all in on Bitcoin today, and I'm up over 200% on the investment. Not only did I make my money back, but I made some extra on that. Here's the proof of work. Well, congratulations, Bitcoin Poet. Today, the price. Let's go. Well done, brother. I just love to hear people's success stories. Let me tell you my Ishcoin story. Bitcoin Boet got an Ishcoin story here. Bitcoin teaches you something you based your life on and believe real is not real. If Bitcoin does not open up the inquiry in you, what else did you think was real that is not real? The Bitcoin has not yet served its ultimate purpose, says Daniel Batten. Right on. Breaking news. U.S. District Judge tossed out a GOP lawsuit seeking to verify ballots submitted in Pennsylvania by the military and overseas voters. Elon wrote, "This is the last day you can request an absentee ballot in Pennsylvania. Moreover, you can hand it in immediately in the person, so it never touches the mail. Please bring anyone you know to vote today." That's from Elon. You can see lines of people voting in Pennsylvania. This is Bucks County. There's been lines like this for days across counties of PA, only for election officials to come out and push people out of the line and tell them to come back. Voter suppression. They're suppressing the votes. We're calling them out. Unacceptable. F that. F the BS. Crazy, yo. Interesting times we're living in, though. President Bukele is doing his thing, deploy 2,000 soldiers to neighborhoods to find and remove all gang members. Let's just say Bukele don't play. If you're in a gang, you should not live in El Salvador. Seriously, if you're a gang member, why would you live in El Salvador? Out of all places, you might as well go to LA or somewhere in America where they embrace the gang members. Chicago, Chi City, Chirac as they call it. In the hood. Good to see the Bitcoin finally going up. We're still a long way from the real number, 73 G's. You're not being poisoned by your food. I can't eat yogurt since it's all sugar and no live cultures. Do you mean you are being poisoned by your food? There was a few ballot boxes torched. Unacceptable is my point. They're messing with the votes already, family. They're messing with the votes already. Unacceptable. Unless we acquiesce and we allow it, then they can do anything they want. They got away with it before. They'll probably try to do it again. If there was no repercussion or consequence to cheating in the voting for the previous election, why would they stop? It's a successful campaign, apparently. Anyways, I'm just thinking out loud. Oh my God, where are the bears at? Yeah, they're in hibernation mode. That's why I brought out the Chucks. If one wants to step up, I'm going to take them out. That's just how I'm rolling today. Full bull mode, family. Watch someone who ate the wrong mushroom sit on the floor and pull all the cotton out of the mattress. Well, that's not good. You got to make sure you have the right mushroom. Apparently, you don't want to be picking cotton. That'll set you back 100 years. You know what I mean? Shout out Bluebirds Unlimited. Clifford Williams. What it do? Welcome everyone on the live stream. Bitcoin making history. We're ripping like Scottie Pippen in his prime next to Jordan. We're live and in the flesh, fam, on X Rumble in the Tube. We got 1,300 people here. We're going to keep the pump going. New all-time high in play, I have a feeling, today. New all-time high today. Let's go. The last 2 elections, JV. Oh, yeah, you're right. 20 and so wouldn't it be 20? What do you mean? 2020 and 2022? I can't see. It's cut off. What was in 2022? Well, the last election was in 2020, and then the previous election was 2016. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm eating shiitake in my pasta. Nice. Those mushrooms are great. Am I pronouncing it right, though? Pump it up. I know. We got to pump it up, broskies. They not like us. They not like us.
We smoked them like a bomb.
JV hit him with the gong.
Oh yeah, we heard Kramer report that.
Kramer? How bullish is Kramer right now? I bet you he's tweeting, poor Bitcoin suckers. Little do they know Bitcoin's about to crash to zero. I'm Jim Kramer. I'm a suit. I get paid to mislead investors so they go poor and bankrupt. I love my life.
He said, we bought more bags, till we got a sword back.
You can't short, you dork. We can't afford that.
Can't short your dork, we can't afford that.
Y'all should have listened to Little Bubble. Your psilocybin is naturally occurring psychedelic compound found in certain species of the shrooms, often referred to as the magic shrooms. The presidential elections and then the congressional elections. Thank you. Midterms, JV. They pulled the same in 2022. I didn't know that, as they did in the presidential election. Jesus Christ. I am going on a mandatory union-sanctioned beer break. Be right back, infused with the psilocybin. Man, you got a beverage lineup for there that'll put Happy Dad to shame. I take the infused with the psilocybin beer all day. Bear Stearns is solid. What do you mean by that? Bear Stearns. Everyone knows that when they speak, you do the opposite. Everyone knows that when that speaks, you do the opposite. Pretty much. We live on opposite planet. Anything the officials or professionals tell you, do the opposite. And you're in good hands. Anything a doctor tells you, do the opposite, you're typically good. Anything a dentist tells you, do the opposite, you're typically good. Anything a financial expert tells you, do the opposite, you're typically good. You know what I mean? That's just the nature of the world we live in. 80,000 before the week is over. Is this sober Uptober? 80 G's. The famous Jim Cramer called right before Bear Stearns went bankrupt. Oh, there's nothing like a Jim Cramer. Hit that like, you bunch of legends. I like the sound of that one. I have mushrooms named after Terrence McKenna. I dig it. Rest in peace, Terrence McKenna. F. Kramer. Amen. Recent studies have shown potential for the psilocybin treating conditions like OCD and Tourette's. Long live the psilocybin, God's little helpers, as they call them. Mikanali shrooms. I want some Mikanali shrooms, please. Sign me up. Sign me up. Welcome, everyone, to the live stream. Pump the likes, pump the stream, repost the stream. We're pumping. Big day today. Let's check out some different looks. Here's the 4-hour. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like 9 of the last 10 4-hour candles are green. You got to dig it. We do have a target sitting at 81.3. Again, this is the 4-hour chart, live and in the flesh. You know what I mean? Checking out the 1-day chart, lit as a mofo as well. Big green bullish candles. Bullzilla. It's time. You know what I mean? Here's the 1-minute chart, zoomed in. A lot of targets here, or a lot of formation. 73, we're on the cusp of hitting right now. You already know. But I like the wider time frames right now just because the charts are so lit. You got to see the perspective of where we're at. Let's leave up the 15-minute. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Virtually 10 of the 11 last 15-minute candles are green. And JV had a dream. This is me full of zero regret. Amen. Inverse Kramer, way to go. I like to see someone with the Tourette's on the shrooms. It's just going to get crazier as the election day approaches. Agreed. As if there's not enough crazy in the world. I actually did buy when I made that. Right on. Opposite, yeah. It's like opposite day. Remember as a kid, opposite day, anything teacher tells you, do the opposite. Anything your parents tell you, do the opposite. Can't go wrong. We have a new ATW. What does an ATW mean? Zero regrets. Regrets, eh? Shout out to Digital Dankness, reppin' Pinellas County, Clearwater, Florida in the building. I had the Kramer report. You can't short your dork. You can't afford that.
Wait for the pump to come, we should have bought that. Crypto to zero, they really thought that.
They really did think that? No. It's because they're paid to shill FUD that Bitcoin's going to crash and go to zero, because that's what they do. That's just the reality of it. They're not that stupid as you are led to believe. You can be like, oh, Kramer's just stupid. No, though I'd like to believe that he's incompetent, he's a paid shill to FUD Bitcoin. He's an enemy of Bitcoin because he works for the enemies of mankind. He works for the lizard people. That's why we hit the gong. Exactly. Just listen to Max Keiser. Rumor has it, right night, Charlie Munger died as he asked what the Bitcoin price was, and the rest is history. 72.9. Can we get a Max Keiser candle? Sure. Jamie Dimon still avoiding the bidding and buying the bonds. Woo, woo. Just got done doing a full restoration on a truck that broke its cross member. Right on. Well, glad you got her done. 73, baby. You already know. When are you going to have a guest on your show? JV is such a lone wolf. It's not even funny. I could have as many guests as I want on my show. People hit me up all the time, even really good people who are good guests. And even, I mean, I don't want to throw anyone under the bus here, but I'm just like so in my routine of doing it my way. It's like, I mean, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, we could have a lot more guests on the show. But tell me the truth, because if we have guests, do you prefer to hear from guests or do you prefer to hear me ranting? If you guys all prefer guests, we'll just bring more guests on, right? I'm like, my thinking is, unless it's like Michael Saylor or Max Keiser, it's like, who cares? You know what I mean? And I could be flawed in my thinking, but yeah, I mean, whatever. Let's go Bitcoin 100,000 November, 250,000. I am going to meet Max in January, so we may finally get him on the show. We may do a live episode in the flesh, get an exclusive interview. At least that's the goal. I'm surprised BlackRock is not liquidating some leverage longs yet. Get Da Vinci. I'd get Da Vinci on here. Da Vinci is an OG. So there's only a handful of people I even want to hear from. That's kind of where I'm at. Agree, JV, they will FUD. Yeah, most people want to come on your show to promote something. And if I don't believe in what you're promoting, should I really bring you on my show? Just keep it 100. I prefer the JV rants. Thank you. They haven't posted in a long time, Max and Stacy. Well, I have a guess, but sometime better to be done. New York truck that rusted out. Oh, right on. Took all the rust off and wielded the new cross member in, painted the frame. Damn, brother. I didn't know you did that type of work. There is no second best. Shout out to my Bitcoin son, JB. This one's for you. JB rhymes with JV. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. That's going to be great. Do an exclusive walk around Max's house for us. I want to see how a Bitcoin billionaire lives. Well, I definitely will do a tour of the HODL House studio for sure. I can't wait. Guests are boring unless, like you said, someone like Max. But your formula is why this is something I can watch 2 hours a day. Everyone else, 15 minutes max, and never more than once a week. Thank you for your honesty, Chandy. 100. I feel the same way, and typically I like to deliver people what I would want. You know what I mean? So granted, there's thousands of potential guests. Does anyone really care to hear from them unless they're a super OG? Probably not. I mean, I don't really care to hear from anyone unless they're a super OG, so that's just how I am. I mean, I may be based, but I'm keeping it real. Bitcoin CB trying to crack 73. JB, look at the price. 73, baby. Here we go. 73. We're roughly $800 away from price discovery. Typically, we end the stream around now, but I'm going to keep it going as long as I could before I pick up my daughter. So I'm going to keep it going. We may do a whole nother hour with me here, and then I'm going to keep the pump watch going even while I'm in the car picking up my daughter. And then we're going to get back and we're going to celebrate all-time high. How does that sound? Can I get an amen? Don't get us wrong. The top channel now, I've been watching them since the Keiser report. We need Gary Gensler as a guest. I'd accept Gary as a guest because we can make fun of him. Gary the Worm. JV featuring Gary the Worm Gensler. JV to the moon. Shout out Benny. Shout out Benny. Trump is our only hope. There is so much that is broken in this motherfucking country. Pretty truthful there. 73,780 is the mark. Well, we're gonna smash it, Grant. We're less than $800 away. History in the making. This is pretty exciting.
Because we need an asset. Bitcoin is the best. There is no second best.
That's right. There is no second best. Now go answer your phone, Oracle. Don't you know, pump it up, and then we gong it up. My Kung Fu Louie.
That is about to be gone, but the coin is on, yep, on. Our trouble's about to be gone.
Yeah. Let her rip. Let her rip. $25 away from claiming 73. Whoa. Just a few bucks away, family. Mr. Sailor, let's go make a big buy. Let's send this mofo to 80,000, a pie in the sky. Bitcoin doesn't need to be promoted. That's why we don't have guests. Exactly. I thought we were talking about the Bitcoin pods. Benny is awesome. And I watch him a lot, but still not for 2 hours a day. Right on. Yeah, I don't know who Benny is. I was referring to a Benny in the chat. I've never saw a podcaster or YouTuber by the name of Benny. But yeah, there's millions of podcasters to choose from. There's no shortage of Bitcoin or crypto content. That's for sure. But here's the reality. How many of those Bitcoin podcasters or shows have 1,802 episodes? I don't know of any. How many of those shows will keep a stream flowing for 11 hours as much as 48 hours? I don't know any. I'm just saying. Regulators. I have to go to the post office. I'll be back for the pump watch. Knock it out. I got to go to the post office too. I supposed to have went this morning, but I rushed back to the stream. But maybe I'll go. Maybe I'll go tomorrow. Whenever we pull back, I'll go to the post office. It is what it is. We're celebrating the pump today. Pumping it up.
Salvadorian up, Benny up. 100K.
Okay, Benny Johnson is the name. I will be watching him at the top of the election night. Right on.
The news every day. CNA, yeah, we don't play. It's the Bitcoin slang. It's the Bitcoin way. 2024.
Benny and the Jets. After 10 million a coin, we'll have Sagittarius, eh?
Dragons, we don't slay dragons. We are dragons that slay. Bitcoin 100.
Exactly. I'm the most based pod, and I embrace the baseness. Feeling bullish here, Robbie. Good. You're at the right place. By Friday, 81, done deal. Sender.
K, another 100K, another 100K. That's 300K underway, underlay, mother.
On the way, but did you buy the dip today? Or did you let it slip? Oh, that's right. There was no dip today. Ha ha. Low keys like that's when there's multiple people in the room. I force them to watch and listen to JV live. House rules. Sorry, not sorry. It is what it is, Eric. It is what it is. What's MicroStrategy price with 100,000 Bitcoin to the moon? Sagittarius A is our black hole in the middle of the Milky Way. Did I pronounce it right? Hodler me. Shout out S-Cash. Welcome to the stream. History in the making. History is being made.
Strawberry destiny.
Can I get a strawberry full moon, please?
Under the moon by fire. Strawberry full moon take.
You know it's serious when JV brings the chucks. That's all I'm saying. This is serious right now.
Me light it up, fire it up, a fire under a full moon. It's a strawberry yum. Fill me up, fill my cup. Kind of Bitcoin power moon. Fill me up and raise it up.
Raise it up.
Pretty please. Strawberry yum.
Come on, $25 away from 73, broskies. Send it. Somebody buy some Bitcoin. Please, buy some sats while you still can.
Fly to the moon, come. I need you to come with me. Whoa, full moon, baby up. Star Aquarius.
What's the target by the end of the year? I thought you'd never ask. I liked just a very modest, very doable, realistic target, in my opinion, is going to be the cup and handle target on the 1 week chart, which is sitting at 124,000. I'll show it to you. This is the target I think we can realistically hit this year, in my opinion. There's no guarantee, but it is a target that's been sitting here forever. See, it's a cup and handle. It's 124,000. That's my target for Q4. And that's very realistic. That's not my bull target. That's just my realistic target, what I think will realistically hit. My bull target will be much higher. In fact, whatever JC Ice, our Oracle's bull target is for the end of the year, that's my bull target. And I believe hers is 225,000. Correct me if I'm wrong, JC. But obviously, very bullish times we're living in.
I'm just so curious, just a little curious. Libra, wanna pump Bitcoin under the full moon with me.
Play up against the pregnant belly. I never even heard of that. I caught Emory humming some of the songs that you play on the pod, JV, funny as what, especially since she doesn't realize she's doing it. That's epic. Shout out Emory. This gong's for Emory. I hate that I have to ask my baby mama to buy Bitcoin. Shaking my head. How does she think I'm going to get this ass ring? We have to get your subscriptions up fast because Bitcoin is about to surpass the member count. I think they will chase each other to 1 million. I hope you're right, Darren. I'd love to have 1 million subscribers. I believe we deserve it. However, we've been shadow banned. We get falsely terminated every year, and it's always a struggle on the tube. But I'm very grateful for Rumble and X to pick up the slack of where YouTube leaves us. Feel me? Islip Long Island in the building. Shout out Strong Island representing its Remy No Limit. 250 would get me on the sun. Let's go. Wow, 124. Wasn't expecting that. You're welcome, Michael. Send it. Let's go.
Imagine Dragons, 2024, year of the dragon. Thunder before the lightning. I'm thirsty. Are you feeling thunder? Are you feeling hunger? I'm craving being under the thunder.
A pump the biddy.
Doing. Danger V. Do you have anything to say?
Rap with me, baby.
This is the chance for all my Bitcoin champs
To do the moonlight Bitcoin dance. I hit 'em up like Pac with the Bitcoin rants. My balls is hot, sitting in my big boy pants.
I trust the Biddy like Biggie when he trusted Diddy. I trust the Biddy like
Eminem, how he trusted Fitty.
The Citadel
Isn't just the city. This is Bitcoin Camelot, just as pretty. Shout out Michael Amos. We love you, brother. Thank you for your support. My lovely wife has been rolling her eyes about the Bitcoin for several years. Sweet redemption is coming. I bet she's not rolling her eyes no more, brother. She's not rolling her eyes no more.
Cinderella, Chandela, Cinderella, take a date.
The moon comes up when the sun goes down.
I want to go down and get down. Let's go. 225 says the Oracle. That's her end of the year target. I'm with it. That's my bull end of the year target. My realistic scenario, my base target, 124. Bull target, 225. Send it. Let's go. Took me years to get my husband on board. Hey, it is what it is. I once had Chucks and tried to imitate Bruce Lee. It didn't work out for me. Well, JV and Bruce Lee have never been in the same room at the same time. Hence why we have the same Chucks. Shh. Don't tell anyone.
I wanna go down and get down while the load pool gets my up, bitties up.
What do you think about Tony Hinchcliffe joke? I don't know who Tony Hinchcliffe is, and I never heard the joke, so you'd have to tell it to me. You know what I mean? It's happening, guys. I can finally divorce my wife and move to Puerto Rico. Victory! Victory! Shout out Lord Drip.
Full moon up. I feel my energy going up. I feel the Bitcoin soaring up. I wanna fill my cup.
I don't want to overflow. I just want security, Did we hit 73? Let me look for you guys. It looks like, let's zoom out first and foremost. Let's go to the 1 hour, And looks like we did. We hit 72,999. You can't make this ish up. 72,999 is the current high on Coinbase. 72,999. The bow staff is my go-to. I love the bow staff too because it was the first weapon I learned in Kung Fu. Then I learned broadsword, and then my specialty weapon, which was my advanced weapon, was spear, which is ultimately a bow staff with a frickin' blade at the end of it. So I'm nasty with a spear, a bow staff, broadsword, cane, a lot of weapons. I'm pretty nasty with the chucks as well. I love weapons. I grew up with weapons. You know what I mean? Even last night I was practicing. It wasn't nunchucks, so I was practicing with a little blade, a little blade. We'll leave it at that.
I don't wanna overflow, I just want security.
So yeah, this chart is crazy, bro. This is the 1 hour. We already tapped 72,999, $1 away from 73. We're still only, what, $89 away? So we're about to tap 73. Look at the 1 hour chart right now. I'm just going to leave that up because it's so bullish. You know what I mean? Coinbase about to crash. You've been warned. Youth is wasted on the young. JV, show your nunchuck skills. Yeah, maybe one day I will show those skills, but you definitely need a lot of space. You know what I mean? Because look how much the chucks expand, right? I love the chucks with the rope because they're quiet like a ninja. Remember Bruce Lee in Enter the Dragon? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Y'all already know. And speaking of Bruce Lee, be water, my friend.
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
I walk with the cane, JV. I have taken people out with it. That's my favorite weapon because it's the most practical. We learn cane fighting, and it's very fun. I love the cane. I had as what you would call in karate, a kata, but in kung fu, we just called them forms. And I remember some of my cane form, and you could wield that baby very fast. I love the cane. It's definitely one of my favorite weapons and very practical. And same with the umbrella. Here in Puerto Rico, it rains a lot, so everybody has umbrellas. The cane is the same as the umbrella. You can turn your umbrella into a weapon. So again, very practical. So good stuff. I want to give my house to my son and go travel for the year, then figure out where I make a new home. Do what it do, broskies.
Now you put water into a cup. It becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle.
It becomes the bottle.
Becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot.
It becomes the teapot.
Becomes the teapot. Now water can flow.
Bitcoin can flow or crash. Be Bitcoin, my friend.
Or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
You already know, yo. Smash the likes for the Nippinator indicator. Nippy nailed it. The Nipsey boy. That's right. He gave us the Nippinator indicator past few days and crushed it right on the money. I'd expect nothing less from the Nippinator indicator. Yeah, it's called text to text. Talk to text doesn't have the grammar. 72,997. Well, 72,999 on Coinbase, broskies. 72,999. I like to throw periods in the middle of my sentence, which man voting for the walls would know it all about, right? You can turn your hat into a weapon, JV. Anything can be a weapon if you are skilled. Good point. Good point. Even a pair of socks could be chucks. A towel. You saw that at the locker rooms. Guerra, now there's a weapon, often made by piano wire, stunning Bitcoin to the candles. I'm going to turn this El Salvador hat into a weapon. Test me. Don't test me. It's up to the Nipsey. A Garrote. It's a new weapon. Interesting. I finished my contracts for the RBTZ. Better to get her now. Shout out Sean Blake. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome everyone live on the stream. Over 1,300 people live and in the flesh. Today is pod episode number 1802. We covered the news, and now we're doing a pump watchy watch because we're pumping and everyone's watching. How do you like those apples, Laura? We're going up forever, Laura.
And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go more.
If you kicking people's asses with hats, you are not a normal person. I got a weapon in my pants. That's right. Turn your underwear into a deadly weapon. You got to do what you got to do in 2024, yo.
Mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin.
That's right. We have a Clips channel. Thank you, Streamlabs. For short content, shorts, and, short format, subscribe. Najib Bukele feels like a genius, but straight up, he did what does that say? Bought the top. He was Jeffrey last cycle. Well, here's the thing. El Salvador is crushing it, so you can't joke around here. El Salvador is doing his thing, respect.
And if you've got a business that you love because your family...
Weaponize everything. Weaponize the biddy against the fiat monopoly fraudsters. How do you like them apples?
October is rising.
Cheers.
The leaves are falling. The Bitcoin's doing both, but it's going up forever, Laura. I'm a born in October, Libra scales of justice, that's my symbol. BTC isn't complicated, you get the price you deserve, so fair and so simple. The autumn air is crisp, I scale like the dollar bill, I'm stacking sets and planting seeds. I'm fifth level prepping and my cup will be filled, I'm awake and staying out of the weeds.
Shout out Rod. And that's October Rising Bitcoin Extravaganza from Chandy 10 Music. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. A little pump it up for you guys. You gotta pump that mofo up.
Life is a game of chess, I'm plotting moves like a Bitcoin queen. I'm manifesting a land of milk and honey. I ate an orange and saw past the smoke screen. BTC is elite, there's no second best form of money. I'm finding my way and breaking ground, snatching up opportunities like a dragon in the year 2024. And my October field of dreams is where I'll be found. Future financial security, I chose Bitcoin instead of being future poor. The harvest of my labor and faith will come without delay. October blue skies shine on me. All good things come to those who wait. God's light is shining on me. I trust that his timing is never late. An October surprise lies in the wake. On the 17th comes a special full moon capable of mysterious things. It's called the Hunter's full moon. It's a super moon, I'm dancing with it, it's my fate. It's the last super moon of the year. I'm gonna feel my dragon wings.
That's right. You nailed it, Serge. Nipinator indicator was 3 days ago, and we've had nothing but bullish days since then. Nip is very tuned in and connected to Satoshi. The pen is sharper than the sword. I've heard the pen is mightier than the sword. Haven't heard the sharper one. It's got 72,970 on the Robin Hood. Is Shandy ready with some new songs? Get that 100K tune ready. I'm sure she's working on some tracks behind the scenes. Billowette from DC. 100 G's. Let's motherfucking go.
Dominoes are falling, Bitcoin's future is glowing. October, shocktober. I don't know exactly where I'm going, but I'm a flying high lunar rover. Oh, whoa, baby, gonna soar. Rock smashes scissors and scissors cut paper and paper covers nothing but a rock. God has my back, paper money is the devil's lover. He sent signs that led me to this new currency. My money is locked, I hold the keys to the bitty. He sent me Bitcoin, gives me cover.
Bitcoin is up, MicroStrategy Minicore down, Bitcoin down, MSTR moons. MSTR is a strange cookie. MSTR is a fortune cookie. Just like when you go to the Chinese restaurant, you open the fortune cookie, you get a fortune, and you know what the fortune says? Bitcoin is going up forever, Laura.
There's no second best crypto asset. It isn't slightly different.
I'm a cheap girl, I'm a Libra girl. I'm a walk in the dark, guided by God under the moonlight, lunar girl. I'm a lone wolf, I stray, but I remain loyal to the Bitcoin game. I'm on the prowl and gifted with intuition. Owls advise me.
That's funny, Serge. Why Melania Trump sounds like Ivan Drago's wife in Rocky IV. What do you think? Hilarious.
Always nearby, connected to me through empathy. Wisdom is given freely to me in nightly conversations with creatures I can hear, but
I just got done eating Chinese food 5 minutes ago. Right on, brother. What'd you have?
never see. I don't need to see to believe. I know what I feel and trust. I'm protected by my Lord and by the blood on the cross. And no matter what, because of that, I'm already free. I thrive in the wild, self-reliant, stacking sats. My spirit's undefiled, the moonlight calls, it's where I roam free. October's my playground and Bitcoin success is my destiny.
Well, good for you, Eric. You're a good man. Supporting my baby mama through nursing school so she can get a good job and buy some more of the biddies. Bada boom, bada bing. Fried rice, eh? I love me some vegetable fried rice with pineapple. It's very common when I went to Thailand. Anywhere I went and got fried rice, they have the fresh pineapple. In fact, they'd even serve it in a fresh pineapple where they, cut the pineapple in the middle and then they put the fried rice in the pineapple. I miss that. Just remember, MicroStrategy is a NASDAQ traded stock. It does not just represent a Bitcoin. It represents the subject of the market conditions outside of the Bitcoin price action. I think Trump only import them from Russia. He has a website, then he picks them. Are we talking about mail order brides from Russia? Is that what we're talking about right now, broskies?
Good things come to those who wait, but but action makes the magic. It's never just fate.
Shout out Diana Jones. I appreciate the repost. JV Live with Crypto News 73. Let's just say we hit 73. I mean, 72,999. We can round up $1, please. So 73, we already hit. We're only $800 away from a legendary new all-time high for Bitcoin. History in the making. Remember this day going down in history, October 29, 2024. Let's go.
I'm a wolf, a dragon, an owl in the trees, praying as I stack and plant, manifesting what I need. I have BTC, so I suppose that makes me Satoshi.
I like that. We have BTC, so I guess that makes me Satoshi. Amen. We have Chinese food every Friday, and the kids are loving it. Nice.
During the October 17th, 2024 full moon, my sun sign and my moon sign will be in opposition. Libra and Aries have a scheduled game of tug-of-war. I feel a change coming. It's a time of transition. I can already feel the push and pull. My sixth sense is awake and I'm paying attention. I invested in Bitcoin a few days after a surreal full moon experience in the woods by a fire on March 25th, 2024. It was known as the warm moon, a traditional name reflecting the time of year when the ground thaws, encouraging earthworms to emerge, a signal of spring. My ice was melting that night and I didn't know it, but nature was talking to me and it led to owning biddies. I feel a similar life-changing night coming on the night of the hunter's moon. Maybe I'm simply manifesting it. Oh, whoa. I'm huddling strong and singing a happy song. I'm rocket right to the moon bound, going from the lost to the found. Gonna use my Libra justice scales to rebalance, and my 2024 dragon scales to be unsilenced. I'm up for the challenge. Doing, la la, that's what's up.
Y'all mind if I just leave the 1 hour up? It's just so sexy. I can't stop gravitating back towards it. We get a new candle in 8 minutes, family. From the Chinese spot, I got jalapeno chicken, half chow mein, half rice, and orange chicken. Don't forget the hot sauce. Right on, brother. Now, JV lived in China for 11 months, so I know all about the Chinese food. First and foremost, from first-hand experience. What's up, everyone? What up, JV? Out of work now? Dropping to say hi for the pump day. Shout out Fresh. Good to have you here, brother. Always an honor. BS, congratulations to your kiddo.
Year of the Dragon, 2024 ahead. I'm planting in October, laying Bitcoin beds. Libra's the peacemaker, but Aries wants to fight. Tension in my veins between day and night. I feel a magnetic pull.
What's your request? I'll leave it up to you guys. I'm going to probably stay here for another 15, 20 minutes, and then I got to walk Nipsey and go pick up my daughter, but I'm going to keep the stream running while I'm gone and then come back, and hopefully we'll have a new all-time high. So let me know, and notice Nipsey's getting my attention. He's like, I got to go out. So let me know what time frame you want to look at during this pump watch. Right now, this is the 1 hour. Just the chart looks so lit. We can keep it on the 1 hour, or if it's more entertaining for you guys, we can put the 10 second, we could do the 1 minute, but that would be your choices. The 1 hour you're looking at, or we can do the 1 minute or the 10 second. Let me know, and whatever you guys want, I'm going to give you.
Leading me into these Ozark woods where I play and explore like Peter Pan with the curiosity of Alice.
Dim sum, JV. That is my favorite Chinese food. Right on, brother. Or Oracle. Sorry. I didn't see the name till after. 1 hour is good. Right on. The Oracle votes 1 hour. What do the rest of you got to vote? Never had the hawk tua sauce? Spit on that thing. I was an ass, but still no life sentence in hell. That isn't about marriage. Think marriage is great, but I don't think I want to marry Satan. Yeah, you definitely don't want to marry Satan. My baby mama is an RN, currently in school for the nurse practitioner. Let's go, babe. Shout out to the wifey and to the kiddo. Damien wants the 1 minute. Right on. That's better than the cream of some young guy. Ooh, the cream of some young guy. That sounds like a P. Diddy meal, if you feel what I'm saying. Mi casa, tu casa, your dinero is my dinero, eh? 1 hour is good for the Guido. There we go. We got 2 votes for the 1 hour. We got 1 vote for the 1 minute. I'll pass on that hawk to a spit on that thing.
Wonderland, it's a moonlit recharge under the stars. The adrenaline is a natural high. I don't feel
Come on, some more votes.
thorns or the pain from falls. I have open wounds that will soon be proudly worn battle scars. Fighting and scrapping to make my own.
The same time a pump yesterday, we want you back.
Bitcoin.
It's going up forever, Laura.
Right? Bitcoin's a bank in cyberspace. Everybody.
And that's the only strategy.
Way makes me feel so alive. The hunter will be hunted, but on this hunter's full moon, I'm going to thrive.
Wow. Shout out Fresh. You get a big gong hit for that one. $20 super into Bitcoin Orange. Let's go. Appreciate that, broski. We got more 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So there we have it. We're going to keep it on the 1 hour. And let's enter the 1 hour power. How about that? Just let her run. My kid has been loving or LVN for 3 years. The staff encouraged him to go back to school. I would take him home because of the nurse practitioner. Still say 1 hour because it is so sexy. Agreed.
He works for the business that's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin.
Make a good point there, Mikey.
And that's the only strategy.
That's the only strategy we know. You got to do what it do. And thank you guys again for all the reposts and such on X. We got a lot of people on the stream right now. 1,355, not too shabby. Diana Jones, Cowboy, Taylor. I don't know this rock concert you guys are sharing with me, but it says $1 trillion baby on it. Okay. Is that a MicroStrategy endorsement? Right on. Very exciting day for sure. Thank you, MD. I appreciate the comment. Just reposted you and followed you back. MD Wagner, thank you for your support. MSTU for the win today. Right on. Again, what does MSTU even stand for? I forget. Let me know, but I'll repost you nonetheless, brother. Thank you, Bluebirds Unlimited. And thank you guys for all the support. You guys are awesome. The drama with me, y'all. It is ending very soon. Sorry for it, but thank you, Satoshi, is all I can say. And God, I can't say it enough. Let freedom ring. In fact, let the freedom ring with the gong. What up, peeps? Shout out Corey Wrights. Welcome to the live. 72.8. We shall survive. You know what I mean? I'm loving this. I'm loving it. McLovin. Maybe I got to rebrand myself to my name, McLovin. More mining rewards.
Wall Street is fraud, America is fraud, the world is fraud, banks are fraud, central banks are fraud. We live in an era of fraud.
Bitcoin, etc. You pointed out the only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers.
Wait, what'd you say, brother? My mom-in-law got tired of the stream and left her room. Oh my God. You literally do orange pill the fam. Keeping it 100. Hey, JB, relaxing and meditation music here. Solo bought twice in last 15 hours for a nice 2,600 profit. You get a gong hit for that. Dip, dip, dip. I love it. Shout out Mr. Corvette. I want to hear that gong. Where you're going to get a special gong hit for your super. So thank you, Mr. Corvette. Back-to-back gong hits. Here you go, Mr. Corvette. This one's for you, brother. Good to have you all here. Appreciate the support. We got 1,400 people on the stream. You know this show gets seen by tens of thousands of folks across all platforms. So we appreciate y'all's support. Thank you for the comments, the reposts, the likes, the subs, all that fun stuff. It does truly help out. Do-da-do-da-do-da-dippity-do. I got a Bitcoin song on my page for you. There you go, Corey. DM it to me. If you got a Bitcoin song, you want to share the jammy jam. Sitting in my creek rocking chair, watching the best crypto pod. What it do? CNA fam. Shout out Jason Buck. Representing. What up, Jay? Good to have you here. We got 1,400 people live and on the stream. Pump watch. Again, we're less than 1,000 away from price discovery. Only about 1 percentage point away. 73, we already tapped. It was 72,999. Close enough. So 73, we have already hit. 73 seems to be the resistance right now. If we can break through, clear sailing. You know what I mean? New all-time highs around the corner. Watching the Bitcoin price like a one-eyed what? Peeking into the seafood store. You got to do what it do. You got to do what it do.
It's all based on fraud, and they get a percentage of the fraud. That's the business model.
Thank you, Maniac. From one maniac to another. Cheers, brother. Bitcoin maniac, that is. We Bitcoin animaniacs.
Anti-money laundering.
Tax avoidance. Criminals. Drug traffickers.
To suggest that there is any moral or ethical aspect to anything that's going on now is to be completely naive about the fact that we live in an era dominated by financial terrorists.
Jihadis of banking.
Anti-money laundering. Tax avoidance.
After this pump, you can start your own music label, Chandy. There you go. The 1 hour. You got it. We're on the 1 hour right now. We'll keep it on the 1 hour. I'm going to hang out for 15 more minutes before I got to go walk Nip and then pick up my little one. And we're going to keep the pump watch running just as we did last night. And when I get back from the school, we'll check and we'll see if we hit a new all-time high. Fingers crossed, yo. Anything is possible with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has no top. Want to know why? Because fiat has no bottom. Oompa Loompas, take it away.
I've got another halving for you. Oompa loompa doompa dee dee.
Again, I dare a bear to come trespass against me. Come on, I dare you.
Less mining rewards, more scarcity.
Woo! Woo-ha! Got you all in check. JV, mess them up. Those bears, they don't want my stuff.
They not like us.
How do I DM you my music? Well, first and foremost, Ray Egan, the best way to do it is probably going to be on X. If you can send me a DM on X. If for some reason it doesn't give you an option to DM me on X, like maybe we're not friends on X, then just email me. My email for the show is cryptonewsalerts11@gmail.com. Again, cryptonewsalerts11, that's a 11. Cryptonewsalerts11, which is cryptonewsalerts11@gmail.com. And in the subject line, put my Bitcoin song. And then that way I could reference you telling me right now and I'll remember. Just give me a couple of days. I don't even check my email every day, keep it 100. But whenever I do check the email, I'll listen to it. And if I like it, with your permission, I'd love to play it on the stream. I love to play, upcoming music artists, especially Bitcoin related tracks, just like we did for Bitstack P the other day. Good jammy jams.
Again, you can call me 3AC cause I'm
No problem, brother. Appreciate you tuned in.
blowing it up. Short squeeze, more please. Yeah, it's going to pump. They drop
It's going to pump. You already know.
foot, but it's still not slowing it up.
Not slowing it up.
I can't wait till the Fed starts showing us love.
Oh, that's right. They already are. Thank you, Fed. The Satoshi era wallets wake up. Wonder who did that. Criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering.
Criminals.
The largest corporate fine at the time.
The largest corporate fine at the time. Thank you, Jamie Demon, the tapeworm diamond.
Criminals.
$13 billion.
Selling unsecuritized mortgage loans.
That's billion.
Criminals.
For selling that securitized mortgage loans.
You already know.
Terrorists, jihadis of banking.
Ruining people's lives, taking their homes.
Criminals. Drug traffickers.
They're here to kill you and themselves.
Anti-money laundering. Tax avoidance.
They don't care because they're trained at madrasas called Princeton, Harvard, and Yale.
Criminals. Drug traffickers. Anti-money laundering. Tax avoidance.
They believe in an ideology, not the Quran, but Adam Smith, that they completely misread and interpret as something to justify their blowing themselves up.
And shout out Max Keiser, by the way. We love the high priest.
You say you didn't know.
Okay, bro. You was the freaking CEO. Come on. Look in the mirror. You were a PDF files banker.
Okay, bro. You were the freaking CEO. Come on.
Look in the mirror.
Look in the mirror.
Traffickers.
You were a pedophile banker.
Yeah, you don't want to be a PDF files banker out of all things. That's a bad look, Jamie Demon. Taxation is theft. How will they fund the wars with no printers of the fiat if it's a Bitcoin world?
And the cost of terrorism is cheap. 9/11 only cost $500,000. The ability to borrow money and take over a company by Warren Buffett is zero.
Zero.
Criminals. Drug traffickers. Anti-money laundering. Tax avoidance.
He's borrowing money at zero. He's taking all those jobs away.
Shout out Billowette from DC. I appreciate the super broski. Let's go BTC. All-time high in play. Send it. This one's for you.
Criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance.
He's creating economic destruction because he's in financial terrorism, and that's the era that we live in today.
Tell him, Max. Bitcoin ETF volume already $3 billion for today. Shout out Guido. Good to have you here, broski.
Why are we going to stop it? There's only one way to stop it.
Raise interest rates right now.
Raise interest rates right now.
And if you don't, you know how the rest goes.
20 tons of cocaine.
Now, Jamie the Tapeworm Diamond, what are you doing with 20 tons of cocaine on a boat you owned? Jesus Christ, bro. It's insane.
That's what I call trafficking.
Drug traffickers, Jamie Demon, tapeworms.
Make the cost of terrorism too high.
That's right. No bears in Puerto Rico except Peter the Schiffmeister. But he's hibernating right now because he knows JV got the chucks. And Peter Schiff knows what's good for him.
Do it today. If you don't, you're a fucking terrorist.
On a boat you owe.
Daddy Yellen's a terrorist. Mario Draghi's a terrorist. The Central Bank of Japan is a terrorist. These are the real terrorists.
Hey, round of applause for the Max Keiser.
Not the immigrants. Not the people dying in the water.
Hey.
Speaking of tapeworms, we got the perfect song for you today. Corey says, couldn't DM you on X, bro, so I just commented the link on your pin post. Thank you, Corey. If it's anything important, you could also email me, again, cryptonewsalerts11@gmail.com if anyone wants to send me something for me to see, and if for some reason you can't DM me something privately, thank you.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee,
Chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 playing with my yo-yo. Do-wop, 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 do-wop. Bitcoin is international store of value.
and watching the coins fly by, and
And along came Jamie Tapeworm. He was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said, thank you, Crypto Rights. I did get the DM with the YouTube video. Oh, wow. Eric the Red shared his baby. Bitcoin kids. Let's go. Please accept my son and teach him the Matrix. That's awesome, brother. Love it. Just reposted you, brother. Bitstack P in the building. Appreciate the repost, broski. There's your proof of work. Get along now. Just reposted your broski. Let's motherfucking go. Thank you, guys. Back to Jamie Tapeworm Diamond.
and he was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I swallowed 1 Bitcoin.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee,
Chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 playing with my yo-yo. Do-wop, 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 do-wop.
and watching the coins fly by, and then along came
Jamie Tapeworm. He was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I swallowed 2 Ethereum.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee,
chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 playing with my yo-yo. Do-wop, 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 do-wop. Come on now, sing along. I'm waiting for 100 G's. Right on. B Rice, I am ready for the dip. Ready for the dip. But anyways, fam, we're going to keep the show going. Again, this is pod episode number 1802. We turned it into a pump watch after we finished the content. If you're seeking to watch the show we already did, you can always rewind it and watch it. So it's all good. But we're going to keep the live stream going. I'm going to go walk Nip, pick up my daughter, and take care of business and do what I got to do. And I'm going to keep the stream running. And when I get back from the school in a couple of hours, I'll check the price with you guys. I'll pop back on and let's all celebrate, hopefully, a new all-time high. Let me know if that sounds good. Appreciate you guys. We're going to keep the music playing and exclusive Chandy Jams. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Chandy 10 Music, #1 Bitcoin music channel, hands down. And let's pump this mofo to all-time high. Price discovery in play. Let's frickin' go.
October is rising and the leaves are falling. The Bitcoin's doing both, but it's going up forever, Laura. I'm born in October, Libra scales of justice, that's my symbol. BTC isn't complicated, you get the price you deserve, so fair and so simple. The autumn air is crisp, I stale like the dollar bill, I'm stacking sets and planting seeds. I'm fifth level, piping in my cup will be filled, I'm awake and staying out of the weeds. Life is a game of chess, I'm plotting moves like a Bitcoin queen. I'm manifesting a land of milk and honey. I ate an orange and saw past the smoke screen. BTC is elite, there's no second best form of money. I'm finding my way and breaking ground, snatching up opportunities like a dragon in the year 2024. In my October field of dreams is where I'll be found. Future financial security, I chose Bitcoin instead of being future poor. The harvest of my labor and faith will come without delay. October blue skies shine on me. All good things come to those who wait. God's light is shining on me. I trust that his timing is never late. An October surprise lies in the wake. On the 17th comes a special full moon capable of mysterious things. It's called the Hunter's full moon. It's a super moon, I'm dancing with it, it's my fate. It's the last super moon of the year. I'm gonna feel my dragon wings. Dominoes are falling, Bitcoin's future is glowing. October, 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 Shocktober. I don't know exactly where I'm going, but I'm a flying high lunar rover. Oh, whoa, baby, gonna soar. Rock smashes, scissors and scissors, cut paper and paper covers, nothing but a rock. God has my back, paper money is the devil's lover. He sent signs that led me to this new currency. My money is locked, I hold the keys to the bitty. He sent me, Bitcoin gives me cover. I'm a Jeep girl, I'm a Libra girl. I'm a walk in the dark, guided by God under the moonlight, Luna girl. I'm a lone wolf, I stray, but I remain loyal to the Bitcoin game. I'm on the prowl and gifted with intuition. Owls advise me, always nearby, connected to me through empathy. Wisdom is given freely to me in nightly conversations with creatures I can hear but never see. I don't need to see to believe, I know what I feel and trust. I'm protected by my Lord and by the blood on the cross. And no matter what, because of that, I'm already free. I thrive in the wild, self-reliant, stacking sats. My spirit's undefiled, the moonlight calls, it's where I roam free. October's my playground and Bitcoin success is my destiny. Good things come to those who wait, but action makes the magic, it's never just fate. I'm a wolf, a dragon, an owl in the trees, praying as I stack and plant, manifesting what I need. I have BTC, so I suppose that makes me Satoshi. During the October 17th, 2024 full moon, my sun sign and my moon sign will be in opposition. Libra and Aries have a scheduled game of tug-of-war. I feel a change coming. It's a time of transition, I can already feel the push and pull. My sixth sense is awake and I'm paying attention. I invested in Bitcoin a few days after a surreal full moon experience in the woods by a fire on March 25th, 2024. It was known as the warm moon, a traditional name reflecting the time of year when the ground thaws, encouraging earthworms to emerge, a signal of spring. My ice was melting that night and I didn't know it, but nature was talking to me and it led to owning biddies. I feel a similar life-changing night coming on the night of the Hunter's moon. Maybe I'm simply manifesting it. Oh, whoa. I'm hodling strong and singing a happy song. I'm rocket ride to the moon bound, going from the lost to the found. Gonna use my Libra justice scales to rebalance, and my 2024 dragon scales to be unsilenced. I'm up for the challenge. The doing, la la, that's what's up. Year of the dragon, 2024 ahead. I'm planting in October, laying Bitcoin beds. Libra's the peacemaker, but Aries wants to fight. Tension in my veins between day and night. I feel a magnetic pull leading me into these Ozark woods where I play and explore like Peter Pan with the curiosity of Alice in Wonderland. It's a moonlit recharge under the stars. The adrenaline is a natural high. I don't feel thorns or the pain from falls. I have open wounds that will soon be proudly worn battle scars. Fighting and scrapping to make my own way makes me feel so alive. The hunter will be hunted, but on this hunter's full moon, I'm going to thrive. Video, oh, Roger out. Humpty Humpty had a great wall, so did fiat, but it's time for fiat to fall. All the kings and horses and all the politicians and all the dark forces can't put fiat back together again. It's time to hodl BTC. Understand you cannot rely on them. Who is them? Them. The ones who tell you what to do and what is best for you. Them. The ones who played us for fools for decades. And the ones who divide and make hate multiply. The solution is the Bitsy and it makes love multiply. Humpty Dumpty, Humpty Dumpty, Humpty Dumpty, or poor unfixable you. Humpty Dumpty, Humpty Dump your fiat with me. Couldn't put your back together with super glue. Humpty Dumpty fiat, it's time for the dump. Diddy going up, going up, going up. Quickie dip, quickie dip, quickie dip. Volatility is a good thing. Quickie dip, quickie dip, quickie dip. Storing in fiat is gonna bring the sting. Fishy, fishy in the book, daddy caught him on a hook. Mommy fried him in a pan and baby ate him like a man. Bitsy, bitsy on the chain, daddy stacks sats, didn't complain. Mommy huddled with a plan and baby learned Bitcoin, daddy like a champ. Humpty Dumpty, Humpty Dumpty, Humpty Dumpty, or poor unfixable you. Humpty Dumpty, Humpty Dump your fiat with me. Couldn't put your back together with super glue. Humpty Dumpty fiat, it's time for the dump. Diddy going up, going up, going up.
Bitcoin reflects humanity's return to fairness and ethical leadership, creating decentralization. It aligns with natural law, empowering individuals to act morally with love toward others.
13 million a coin in the year 2045. Only Bitcoin has true scarcity, it will survive. A finite supply, no more can be made. Huddle up, gang, and keep those biddies safe. JV gives sage advice, like the sage. CNA loves to take the sage advice. Sage advice. 100K party, I'll bring my own baby oil. Baby oil. Just kidding, no Diddy, but I'll stay Satoshi loyal. Never sell your baby, hollow strong and proud. Stack the exclusive stats and be wise like the owl. This is no time to be boring, the moment is now. It's time for 5th level intelligence storing. Don't hesitate, wolves are on the prowl. JV gives sage advice, like the sage. CNA loves to take the sage advice. Sage advice. Then and good for them, but the time is also now, and the forest and night air gives me to tell. The pump is coming, the warning was howled, I feel it throbbing. The excitement makes it hard to not make sounds out loud. JV gives sage advice, like the sage. CNA loves to take the sage advice. Sage advice.
Once upon a time in a magical land, I met Peter Pan and we took a stand. He said, stay young, never grow up, it's true. And with Bitcoin, you can live that dream too. Just like the moon that shines so bright, Bitcoin's here lighting up the night. It's the treasure we can keep, safe and sound. Flying high with Peter, never coming down. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, it's magic in your hand. Take a trip with Peter to a Bitcoin land. Hold it close, don't let it slip away. Bitcoin's forever, every night and day. With Tinkerbell's lights and a dream in sight, we'll hold on to Bitcoin and fly through the night. In the forest where fairies glow, Tinkerbell and Peter know where to go. They said, come on kids, don't be shy. Bitcoin's the future, let's reach for the sky. It's like the stars shining up above, a treasure we can share, full of hope and love. Just like a unicorn with rainbow wings, Bitcoin gives us the power to do amazing things. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, it's magic in your hand. Take a trip with Peter to a Bitcoin land. Hold it close, don't let it slip away. Bitcoin's forever, every night and day. With Tinkerbell's lights and a dream in sight, we'll hold onto Bitcoin and fly through the night. Oh, we don't need gold or silver anymore. With Bitcoin in our pocket, we're ready to soar. Tinkerbell, Sparkle, and Peter's cheer. With Bitcoin's magic, the future is here. It's not just money, it's freedom we see. For every kid, for you and me. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, it's magic in your hand. Take a trip with Peter to a Bitcoin land. Hold it close, don't let it slip away. Bitcoin's forever, every night and day. With Tinkerbell's lights and a dream in sight, we'll hold on to Bitcoin and fly through the night. So dream big and dream bright. With Bitcoin, we can take flight. Like Peter Pan, forever we'll stay in a Bitcoin world where magic leads the way. Little baby, do you mind? Papa's gonna buy you some Bitcoin tonight. And if that Bitcoin starts to dip, Mama's gonna stack more with a firm grip. And while those prices rise and fall, Papa's gonna huddle through it all. Whether the market's fast or slow, Mama's gonna stay the course, you know. And when those sets start to shine, Papa's gonna buy you something fine. And if those sets start to wane, Mama's gonna buy more on the chain. And when Bitcoin is full moon bound, you'll be the most secure little baby in town.
Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days.
Sunday, Monday, Bitcoin days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Bitcoin days. Thursday, Friday, Bitcoin days. Saturday, what a day, pumping all week for you. These days are Bitcoin, be mine, be mine. These days are, oh please, Bitcoin lover, be mine. Hello security, goodbye fiat. She's wearing my Bitcoin on her chain. She's my steady set stacker and I'm a bitty stacking man. I'm gonna love her all I can. These days are Bitcoin, be mine, be mine. These days are, oh please, Bitcoin lover, be mine. Hey, is that the Fonz? What a cool guy. Gonna cruise her around the town, show everybody what I found. Huddle and party with all my friends, hoping the music and the pump never ends. These days are Bitcoin, be mine, be mine. These days are, oh please, Bitcoin lover, be mine. Hello security, goodbye fiat. Goodbye fiat. She's wearing my Bitcoin on her chain. She's my steady sat stacker and I'm a bitty stacking man. I'm gonna love her all I can. Now I'm gonna love her all I can. These happy days are yours and mine. Won't you be mine?
Bitcoin kids. We're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Bitcoin kids. We're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. But we appreciate our BTC education. We want to learn, we listen up, inheriting Bitcoin dedication. We know the dollar depreciates, but
The biddy appreciates and we love them. They are our financial security and how to earn financial freedom. Self-custody, little BTC gangsters. Fiat is not for us, we aren't pranksters. Biddies are our best shot at more toys and achieving our dreams. We are ahead of our class, we're cool kids and on the Bitcoin team. We know those shiny biddy sats, yeah we need them. We want to lead our generation from poverty to prosperity. Yeah, we're gonna lead Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Shout out to all the Bitcoin papas and all the Bitcoin mamas. We Bitcoin kids rocking Bitcoin pajamas. We got the Bitcoin knowledge, cause we are Bitcoin scholars. No need to go to college, that's my papa's promise. Unless I really wanna. But right now the floor is lava. That's where I throw my dollars. Scouts honor. Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Shout out to Jack Mallers and all my Bitcoin ballers. We are the well-taught future shot callers. Popping Bitcoin collars. Playing cops and robbers. Spending papa's dollars. More money, more problems. But Bitcoin solves them. We're Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. We have no trust for fiat, it's so sus. So we traded all our dollars for Robux. Go us. We're 5th level fast at learning, we're robust. Stacking the biddy, we won't budge. No FUD can never stop us, we're so loved. Growing up, just like the Bitcoin is going up, blowing up. Playing with our friends and showing up, soaking up. All the biddies we've woken up, loaded up. Stacking the biddies like coconuts, like open up your chakras, then close them shut. Spoken of, the holy gospel from up above. Token of, appreciation like puppy love. Bitcoin kids, we are the future of money, huh? We're Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. We are the Bitcoin kids. We are 5th level G bona fide recipients of generational wealth. Blessed and impressed by our moms and our dads because they are inspirational and stacking sats so stealth. We're Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids. Bitcoin kids. They're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sat stacking kids.
This is Bitcoin astrology 10 plus 11 numerology. I met a Libra who said,
"Nice to meet ya."
That's a blackjack. Sexy bitty baby. I'm an Aquarius. We sat down and shared a slice of pizza. Shit got serious. She was more than just attractive, pretty. She was stacking sats, which means she stacks the biddy. The ultimate attraction to me. Bitcoin chemistry. Action fully, she said.
Mr. Aquarius, you are so hilarious. Tell Satoshi to bring the Bitcoin cherry.
I said, only if Tinkerbell brings the Bitcoin fairy dust. Then she laughed and giggled. Under the moonlight, our attraction sizzled. Like a fat kid with a pack of Skittles. Or like a maxi watching the Bitcoin price action.
I was really into Mr. Aquarius, so I had to look to the sky to try to understand why we seem to go hand in hand. Apparently, according to astrology, a Libra female is all but guaranteed to succeed with a free-spirited Aquarius male. He will make her happier every day and be her ride or die, meant for life, salt and pepper, kind of what a man. We both value our independence. We like experiencing new things. Communication is the key to this relationship. I'm crushing so hard, that boy has me dreaming of rings.
My Bitcoin Libra love, I wanna be the one. My Bitcoin Libra love, I wanna beat it up. My Bitcoin Libra love, I wanna see the sun coming up as me make it love.
My Bitcoin Libra love, this is Bitcoin astrology. Wanna know what psychology? Bitcoin is the #1 technology.
Bitcoin loving turned from a discussion, accelerated to hugging, then elevated to touching, then escalated to something. Let's say we were crushing, I started blushing. I'm hitting different positions on a mission to finish, but my mission's beginning. I'm on a mission of winning, no competition, just bring it dear. Whispered in my ear as your biggest fears disappear. The mission is clear, I can feel through your diva nails. Bitcoin astrology, I'm in love with your Libra scales.
We want to improve ourselves constantly. We can spend quality time together. I search the stats of our compatibility. We can work together and watch our bond strengthen forever. We can stack BTC stats like a 2024 dragon, teaming up with Bonnie and Clyde with a happy ending. And earthly, outer space bound, kind of heaven sent them to me.
Small problems, sure, those we will see.
But damn, we have 90% love compatibility, 88% career compatibility, and 85% friendship compatibility. Whoa, baby, those odds are sexy. One way or the other, we are gonna work it. Whoa, oh, yummy bitty love, so dope, my friend, at the very least. You'll forever be
a Bitcoin Libra love. I wanna be the one. A Bitcoin Libra love. I wanna beat it up. A Bitcoin Libra love. I wanna see the sun coming up as me making love. A Bitcoin Libra love. I wanna be the one. A Bitcoin Libra love. I wanna beat it up. A Bitcoin Libra love. I wanna see the sun coming up as me making love.
It's back. Yeah, get ready for the real report. It might even make you cry, but only if you are a poor sport. So simple, it's basic. Swallow an orange pill, just take it so you can make it. Don't you want to make it? I mean, make dough like it was just Play-Doh in your hands, like the hourglass in its sands. So easy to handle, just listen and buy like you know how to ride a green candle. Godzilla, ride the glow rising. Godzilla. Be on the right side of time and playing with your dough, since you got it like a goat. Because you listen to Keiser and a 6-level G advice that was always bringing hope. Keiser, Keiser, Keiser report. It's Keiser report time. Baby up Bitcoin, preach it time. It's always a Bitcoin buy time. Ready, ready, get set, go. Financial truth time. Fiat obituary. Bitcoin is your new currency. Max, Stacy, Keiser report. Let's go.
La la, as if you didn't already know. You know, na 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 na.
Hey, 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 fiat. Goodbye. Bitcoin, hello. The BTC goes down like Jello. Want the truth? I mean the how to invest your money. Best practices, kind of best truth. Then listen up. Max and Stacy are here and ready to set you up. Oh, BTC, you still have time. It's Keiser report time. Biddy up, it's Keiser's gonna preach it time. Ready, get set, go. Max, Stacy, Keiser, Keiser report. It's so simple, it's basic. Swallow an orange pill, just take it so you can make it. Just listen and buy like you know how to ride a green candle. Godzilla, ride the glowing rising. Godzilla, get it like a goat. Make your own hope and your own road. Listen up, Max and Stacy are here and ready to set you up. It's the Keiser report time.
If Bitcoin dips to retest, I couldn't care less. Even though my dog ate my second El Salvador hat last night. If I can buy a third from Sergio, it'll be alright. Riding low in her chair, she pretends she isn't there. It's alright, cause she's saved by the Bitcoin. It's alright, cause we're saved by the Bitcoin. When I wake up in the morning and the charts about a warning, I don't think about it, don't give it my time. I just get on Cash App like DJ Max. I buy more fast stacks. I'm at the corner just in time to catch a rocket to the sky. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dips to retest, I couldn't care less. Even though my dog ate my second El Salvador hat last night. If I can buy a third from Sergio, it'll be alright. Riding low in her chair, she pretends she isn't there. It's alright, cause she's saved by the Bitcoin. It's alright, cause we're saved by the Bitcoin. Atomic dog, naughty dog, she's a hat sniffing dog. My under 8-year-old puppy dog, she's a hat shredding dog. She weighs more than me already, yeah. Sick next level bitty coveting kind of dog. Saved by the bitty BTC, saved my gangster puppy. 2 El Salvador hats in a row, mailed to me from Sergio. She got one off my closet shelf. She opened one like it was delivered for her by an elf. She's making a point, she wants her own Bitcoin. I'm blue. Oh, my dog isn't Blue's Clues. She has a clue, too many bitty clues. But I dig my bone digging, hat eating puppy dog. Dog puppy terror, dog whoopity love, hat shredder.
She just wants her own treasure.
Bad at all things in a package.
She wants the self-custody cause she's savage.
Hat shredder.
She's mad cause she just wants her own treasure.
If it's on a shelf, yep, she's mad at that too. Hat shredder.
She's mad cause she just wants her own treasure.
I asked her, what did El Salvador do to you? I asked her, what did Bukele do to you? She just rode low in her chair, acted like she wasn't even there. She is gangster,
wants her own treasure.
a sly bitty in her sights, puppy dog. If she goes Dr. Seuss on me and goes to a dog party. Do you like my hat? Says dog 1. I do, says dog 2. I think she wants her own El Salvador hat too. If she eats, chews it, or even just steals it for some dog party stardom, she will have to ask Bukele for a pardon. Because she just rode low in her chair, acted like she wasn't even there. She just rode low in her chair, acted like she wasn't even there. Woof woof, Roger out.
Never seen anyone looking so fine. Bitcoin on his mind, he's just my type. No one's gonna type. I'm so to the sexy guy. It's a crypto glow. That man, he's an 8, he's a 9, he's a 10. I know.
Well, I went down to the Bitcoin carryout, where I saw Bitcoin and some one I just haven't had. Mama told me I should proceed with caution, but my heart said, go ahead and make a bid on that. And I said, hey pretty lady, won't you give me a sign? I'll do you better, you'll be my Bitcoin baby doll. Yeah, I've never seen anyone looking so fine with Bitcoin in her hand. She's just my type. I'm going once, going twice. I'm sold to the lady with the crypto glow. She's an 8, she's a 9, she's a 10. I know she's got a Bitcoin stash, brown hair, brown eyes, and I'm about to bid my fiat goodbye. Oh, please say yes, pretty Bitcoin, baby. Well, the auction, it was going about a mile a minute. He was selling babies and making Satoshi proud. And I guess I was really getting in it, cause I just shouted out above the crowd. And I said, hey pretty lady, won't you give me a sign? I'll do you better, you'll be my Bitcoin baby doll. Well, the Bitcoins are flying about a mile a minute. The auction, it was making Satoshi proud. And I guess I was really getting in it, cause I just shouted out above the crowd. And I said, hey crypto lady, won't you give me a sign? I'll trade my dollars and leave the fiat behind. Oh please say yes, pretty Bitcoin baby. Yeah, I've never seen a Bitcoin looking so fine. Man, I gotta have it, it's just my type. I'm going once, going twice, I'm sold to the lady with the crypto glow. She's an 8, she's an 8, it's a 9, it's a 10. I know it's got a golden glow, rising high, strong ties, and I'm about to bid my fiat goodbye. Oh please say yes, pretty Bitcoin lady. Well, the auctioneer was going about a mile a minute. He was selling biddies and making Satoshi proud. And I felt my pulse quicken every minute, cause I just shouted out above the crowd. And I said, hey crypto lady, won't you give me a sign? I'll trade my dollars and leave the fiat behind. Found love on the auction block. You'll be my Bitcoin baby doll. Yeah, I've never seen a Bitcoin looking so fine. With Bitcoin in her hand, she's just my type. I'm going once, going twice, I'm sold to the lady with the crypto glow. She's an 8, she's a 9, she's a 10, I know. She's got a Bitcoin stash, brown hair, brown eyes, and I'm about to bid my fiat goodbye. She said yes, hell yeah, let's Bitcoin rodeo.
Cinderella singing now, talking to you, baby. Baby, now, yeah, I've never seen anyone looking so fine. With Bitcoin on his mind, he's just my type. I'm going once, going twice, I'm sold to the sexy guy with the crypto glow. That man, what a man, oh whoa, those muscles. Bitcoin 5th level, muscles. He's an 8, he's a 9, he's a 10, I know. He's got a Bitcoin stash, brown hair, brown eyes, and I'm about to bid my whole life goodbye. I'm his bestie, I'm his cheerleader. Oh, whoa, oh, 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 GY6, kinda she needs him, he needs her. Yeah, we found love on the auction block, and I hauled his heart away. And we still laugh about the way we met, the Bitcoin way. Whoa, love, lunar, destiny. Hey, when I said, hey, sexy Bitcoin guy, won't you give me a sign? I'll do your bidding, I'll be at your beck and call. Yes, let's do it, let's huddle together. Yummy bitty love, oh, oh.
The little tapeworm.
Hi, I'm Jamie the tapeworm. Any money for me to steal today?
I was sitting on the fence post, slapping on my left knee, chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 hanging with my yo-yo, do-up, 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 do-up. And watching the coins fly by, and then along came Jamie Tapeworm. And he was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I swallowed 1 Bitcoin.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee, chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 hanging with my yo-yo, do-up, 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 do-up. And watching the coins fly by, and then along came Jamie Tapeworm. And he was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I swallowed 2 Ethereum.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee, chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 hanging with my yo-yo, do-up, 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 do-up. And watching the coins fly by, and then along came Jamie Tapeworm. And he was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I swallowed 3 old coins.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee, chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 playing with my yo-yo, do-up, 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 do-up. And watching the coins fly by, and then along came Jamie Tapeworm. And he was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I swallowed 4 fiat banks.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee, chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 playing with my yo-yo, do-up, 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 do-up. And watching the coins fly by, and along came Jamie Tapeworm. And he was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I swallowed 5 gold.
I was sitting on a fence post, slapping on my left knee, chewing on my bubble gum, huddle, 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 playing with my yo-yo, do-up, 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 do-up. And watching the coins fly by, and then along came Jamie Tapeworm. And he was this big. I asked Jamie what happened, and he said,
I burped worked and now I need more.
More of everything. I'm so hungry for everyone's money. Yummy money, baby, in my tummy. I'm so greedy, but I'm hungry, but I'm greedy, but I'm hungry.
Your favorite friend in New York City?
He's back here somewhere. Behind me, we know he's there. Let's get a posse together and go roust him.
Well, last Wednesday, in fact, he was at the New York Fed along with a bunch of other CEOs of the banks. Diamond cites give and take after bank chiefs meet at Fed. JP Morgan Chase and Company Chief Executive Jamie Dimon said there was give and take when bank leaders met with Federal Reserve officials to discuss industry oversight in New York last week.
Oh yeah, well, we give, he takes. You know.
When the dip has come and the world is dark and Bitcoin is the light we'll see, and no, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. As long as you huddle Bitcoin with me. So Satoshi, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, huddle now, stand by Bitcoin. Huddle with me. If the market we rely upon should dip and fall, the value should drop to the sea, I won't sell, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear as long as you huddle Bitcoin with me. So family, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, huddle now, stand by Bitcoin. Huddle with me. And Bitcoiners, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now, stand by BTC, stand by me. Whenever Bitcoin dips, won't you huddle with me? Oh, stand by me. Won't you huddle now, stand by Bitcoin, huddle with me. So Satoshi's family, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, huddle now, stand by Bitcoin, huddle with me. So family, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, huddle now, stand by Bitcoin, huddle with me. So Satoshi family, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, huddle now, stand by Bitcoin, huddle with me. Huddle now, stand by Bitcoin, huddle with me. If Bitcoin dips to retest, I couldn't care less. Even though my dog ate my second El Salvador hat last night. If I can buy a third from Sergio, it'll be alright. Riding low in her chair, she pretends she isn't there. It's alright, cause she's saved by the Bitcoin. It's alright, cause we're saved by the Bitcoin. When I wake up in the morning and the charts about a warning, I don't think about it, look at my time, I just get on Cash App with PJ Maxx. I buy more fast apps. I'm at the corner just in time to catch a rocket to to the sky. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dips to retest, I couldn't care less. Even though my dog ate my second El Salvador hat last night. If I can buy a third from Sergio, it'll be alright. Riding low in her chair, she pretends she isn't there. It's alright, 'cause she's saved by the Bitcoin. It's alright, 'cause we're saved by the Bitcoin. Atomic dog, naughty dog, she's a hat-sniffing dog. My under 8-year-old puppy dog, she's a hat-shredding dog. She weighs more than me already, yeah. 6th level bitty, coveted kind of dog. Saved by the bitty, BTC, save my gangster puppy. 2 El Salvador hats in a row, mailed to me from Sergio. She got one off my closet shelf. She opened one like it was delivered for her by an elf. She's making a point, she wants her own Bitcoin. I'm blue, oh my dog is in Blue's Clues. She has a clue, too many bitty clues. But I dig my bone digging, hat eating puppy dog. Dog puppy terror, dog lippity love, hat shredder.
She just wants her own treasure.
Batted all things in a package.
She wants the self-custody 'cause she's savage.
Hat shredder, hat shredder.
She's mad 'cause she just wants her own treasure.
If it's on a shelf, yep, she's mad at that too. Hat shredder.
She's mad 'cause she just wants her own treasure.
I asked her, what did El Salvador do to you? I asked her, what did Bukele do to you? She just rode low in her chair, acted like she wasn't even there. She is gangster,
wants her own treasure.
a sly bitty in her sights, puppy dog. If she goes Dr. Seuss on me and goes to a dog party. Do you like my hat? Says dog 1. I do, says dog 2. I think she wants her own El Salvador hat too. If she eats, chews it, or even just steals it for some dog party stardom, she will have to ask Bukele for a pardon. Because she just rode low in her chair, acted like she wasn't even there. She just rode low in her chair, acted like she wasn't even there. Woof woof, Roger out.
It's always easy to fall in love, but when you crash, like falling through a shutdown of Duff, it's an awesome medication kind of pain. Bring me healing rain.
An easy way out, no, don't even hope. I took the dope, the oxytocin, chemical imbalance causing dope. Futile attempts to fill my emptiness lead me needing the purifying rain. No amount of meditation or medication will heal this pain. There is no easy way. Time heals, this is true. For now though, I feel like gray and blue. I feel dirty. Rain, please wash me and say I'm worthy. It's a chemical imbalance, I'm so out of balance. Saying hello comes easy, chemistry's the thrill, but goodbye arrives the hard way, a bitter pill. The universe serves as the sorrowful witness to this blinding, lying love stage that just might lead to so much sickness. But the side effects, they're a toxic imbalance. Endorphins, oxytocin, serotonin, a loss of identity. Be careful to keep your balance. Oh, keep balance. Pour the rain on me, soak me, cleanse me, free me, H2O wet me. It's a chemical imbalance, so out of balance. Heal me from the pain with a John the Baptist kind of rain. Cleanse my fractured, dehydrated heart with a downpour of pure, hopeful wet. Give me a detox rain. It's easy to set yourself up for a broken heart. The answer's clear, can't save us from this fall. To fear the grief of the loss is to live in fear. 2 on the right, 2 on the wrong, we hit a wall. A soul can feel so stained, incapable of being repaired. And damn, oh, I did it again. Messed with chemicals, biological, neurological, messed up.
heart when it's in love makes my judgment so black and blue impaired. This shit isn't fair, but true love is so rare. Worth it, maybe, but only later it hurts too much. Oh baby, it's a chemical imbalance, so out of balance. Oxytocin bitten, water paralyzing, suffocating. Never want to imagine kind of disabling pain. The universe serves as the sorrowful witness to this blinding, lying love stage that just might lead to so much sickness. But the side effects, they're a toxic imbalance. Endorphins, oxytocin, serotonin, a loss of identity. Be careful, keep your balance. Oh, keep balance. It's a feel good, take me all metaphorical. Alter my chemicals, cage. My heart's not broken, my soul feels dry, like my heart was a bleeding cactus. It was my decision, I can't deny. I had hope though, now just hopelessness. I feel a sad shade of blue, stranded in a desert of loneliness. My feelings and love were true, but again, damn this hopelessness. It's a chemical imbalance, so out of balance. I never wanted to end this way. I hoped for a perfect space, but dopamine made me be a barren waste. Now I hide inner scars with a fake smile on my face. Forced to hide my face from the scars that are you. It's a chemical imbalance, so out of balance. I may not show the pain, I won't take all the blame, though I know I'm at fault. I won't argue you were too, but let's halt. The answer's clear, can't save us from this fall. To fear the grief of the loss is to live in fear. Two on the right, two on the wrong, we hit a wall. Incapable of communicating, agreeing or compromising. We're lost in realizing it's a chemical imbalance, so out of balance. H2, oh please heal my soul. Keep balance. It's a chemical imbalance, so out of balance.
There's a crypto asset called Bitcoin, and it goes the doing. Hola, baby, la. I'm Nashville bound. This music city for 2 bitty 5/5 level days at a bitty playground. It's the Bitcoin play, Music City Center, downtown Nashville, Tennessee. BTC speeches with BTC 5th level gifted G's. I'm going to Bitcoin party with over 20,000 attendees. Huddle gang, Bitcoin fame, light a flame, know your aim.
Welcome to the Bitcoin event. Bitcoin is heaven sent, and so we represent every second blessed like Michael Saylor. Yes, there is no second best. There's a crypto asset called Bitcoin, and it goes the doing.
I'm going to Nashville, I'm Nashville bound. We're going to Nashville, we are Nashville bound. We are Bitcoin future sound.
Did I say? I'm so excited to be headed to the Satoshi created BTC Bitcoin fighters come together conference. I'm so Bitcoin confident. 726 and 727, I'm gonna be in Bitcoin heaven. 2024 is the year of the dragon. Celebrate those dips destined for 100K post-halving. It's Music City for 2 bitty 5/5 level days. It's the Bitcoin play.
Welcome to Bitcoin Nashville.
Did you take the orange pill from Brazil to Jacksonville? Stacking sats still cause the fiat crash near. Tell the cashier ain't no Bitcoin cashier. We pioneer, hear the Bitcoin lions cheer for the killer gorilla like Jared Cannonier. The apex predator, but the bank's embezzler and all the creditors. Bitcoin has no competitors. BTC, yes, it's like a bulletproof vest on every weapons test. So no need to second guess, because there is no second best. Whoa, the Bitcoin lovers, Bitcoin pushers, Bitcoin makers, fiat heartbreakers on the list to take the stage. I'm getting so amped and feel this tingy feeling. That's something feeding the oranges on the abyss. This moment in these speeches I can't miss. I love you, Biddy, give me a kiss. Nashville, we're gonna keep it real. Coin doesn't fizzle,
BTC pours down rain, fiat can't even drizzle. Study and pass some Bitcoin quizzes. Educate, think about it, be a part of it. Avoid the drought, just pray. Because fiat is digging its own dehydrated grave. Fiat is grave bound, desert hell, a puppeteer playground. And fiat, your financial security is a for sure drown. Bitcoin regulation, laws in the nation, innovation and security, text foundation, adoption and integration, spreading sensation, finance and mining, bitty pump craving, culture and art, crypto creation. Whale night exclusive scene, rooftop party live and keen. Bitcoin block party, join the crowd, networking, cause make them proud. It's gonna be epic, a BTC, July 2024, end of the week. Oh, so much hope in Bitcoin dreams. Bitcoin drone back down, stand up and occupy. I can't wait, I'm Nashville bound. You need Bitcoin, do not deny. And someone is wanting to free this land. Grab a trumpet and let's pump it. Dragon Ball Z, BTC pedigree, 5 deadly venom, Bitcoin centipede. BTC, this is the buy of the century. BTC, this is the high of ecstasy. BTC, addictive as caffeine. BTC, so fresh and it's so clean. BTC, perfect money, it's pristine. BTC, proof of work, G-O-D. Let the bitty pump the Bitcoin, going. Don't think you can't get into it. Don't think it's too late, just stack it. Stack sats and do it at any pace. 1 sat, 2 sat, 3 sat, 4. Looky there, you are 4 sats less poor. It doesn't matter how much you have. It matters that sats are something you do have. Every day, get what you can grab. Let them add, stack them, keep adding, stack them. Bitcoin longevity, Bitcoin legacy. Bitcoin over treasury. Bitcoin for the treasury. Bitcoin on our memory. Bitcoin over Hennessy. Bitcoin for our enemies. Super Saiyan energy. Super Saiyan energy. Bitcoin serenity. Stack sats and put everything else on hold. Get your future rich, don't say no new clothes. Skip McDonald's, wait on the furniture. Stay home, you can sacrifice something for your future. You don't want to look back and say fiat is what I chose. Get on this ride, it's the Bitcoin future. Wealth hodling, dedicated in an adventure. Bitcoin buzz, whale splash. This tribe is tough, BTC won't crash. Bitcoin wins, hodlers grin. That's a Roger out.
What's up, family? Is the Bitcoin going up? Y'all are staying up late with me. This is the best night of my life. Let's party. I'm not sleeping tonight. I'll be all yours if you will be all mine. The bump, hippie, skippy, pump, party, pump, the bitty. It's a pump, watch party. JV stayed up late to party with us. Yip, bitty, whoopee. Send the Bitcoin, doing, lunar up. Why do you build me up, just to go and dip back down and mess me around? I'm kidding, we trust you, BTC. Our pretty little baby's going up. But then best of all, you never fall too far. Sexy little baby, when you say you will never crash. I believe you and love you. It's watch party time, CNA style. We will talk all night, we'll be alone. Don't worry boys, we can't fight. We're too far away and we would need to be close. I'll fight anyone. Who's bringing the pizza? Who's bringing the popcorn? It's a crypto news alert watch party. It's a CNA family slumber party. Pretty little bitty going up. Jen is wearing comfy PJs. Juju is ready to dance. I wanna play truth or dare. Wear PJs and dance. What are the guys gonna do? Probably look at charts, but CNA sisters know how we do what we do. Ooh, party time, bitty up time. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up. Bitcoin, you'll never break my heart. JV, light up the stage and let's play some games. Any kind of game. Pretty please, JV, spin the bottle. What, it was a joke. Bitcoin party, silly joke. I'll be over at 10 when the watch party begins. Team CNA, I'll wait with you and then out like a dragon roars. We will watch the Bitcoin soar. It's you I trust. Fiat let me down again. Hey, bitty, gotta be mine. Hey, a little time and BTC will make us happy. Hey, we'll be home free. I'll be on the live chat, cheering with my bitty family. Ooh, pretty little bitty going up.
We've been climbing, aim for $1 million climaxing. Never stopping, Bitcoin is rising. We already hit 67K, and now we're aim up at
that 69 sweet G spot rocket ticking off. Everybody knows it's the magic spot. Watch how it goes. When we hit the 69K, we will continue to grow. Let it flow, 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 flow. Magic cosmic fire, the rocket is fueled up. Prepare for flight, rocket up kind of high. Darting, 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 69G bound, such a fun time. Rocket up kind of doing, sexy rising Bitcoin. We're on the brink, we're feeling fine. Counting down the seconds, it's almost time. Hold your breath, keep it tight. 69G's gonna light up the night. Day up 69, pump appeal, we're on the brink, we're feeling sexy. 69G heat, counting down, it's almost time. Hold your breath, be prepared to fly. Come alive with the big vibe. 69G's come, young video. Wink at us, JV. We are all here. CNA fam is hooting like wise owls, feeling the thrill for that 69K milk cow. 69 in, darting, darting, it's a darting, darting hill. We've come so far, we've seen it all. Bitcoin will not fall. 69K, it's a celebration. Bitcoin love sweeping the nation. So let's toast to the future, raise our glass high. 69G's under the moonlit sky. Crypto fam together, feeling the beat. In the world of Bitcoin, we can't be beat. Biddy up 69, pump appeal, we're on the brink, we're feeling sexy. 69G heat, counting down, it's almost time. Hold your breath, be prepared to fly. Come alive with the biddy vibe. 69G's come, young video.
Chill. 1, 2. Wait for it. 1 million. Planet Earth, are you ready? Crypto, that's right. Like Superman changing the world. Crypto told you so. To the moon at night. That's my kryptonite. Bring it. Yeah. Bitcoin is harnessed, the blockchain. Loyal to the $1 million fight. Championing through the digital realm with all their collective might. The market man says it's the end of times. And the Bitcoin river, she's a flowing high. The interest is up and the fiat's down. And you only get hacked if you're not. Crypto sound.
Making our way for Bitcoin today takes everything we've got. Taking a break from political worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to make fiat go away? All those nights when you've got no lights, the check is in the mail, and you knew you needed some bait, so you caught the tiger by its tail. And your Bitcoin life feels like a rodeo. Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see our Bitcoin love is all the same. You wanna be where everybody knows your name. Roll out of bed, fiat is dead. The BTC is looking bright. The BTC's looking bright. And the shrink ran off to El Salvador and didn't even write. And your husband wants to be a girl. Be glad there's one podcast in the world where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. We're always glad you came. You wanna go where people know rack it up, biddy up. Fifth level G crew, this one is for you. My CNA family, promoting the best currency. The doing, love this family. We all love each other and Bitcoin. Devon, sweet Devon, always cheering us on. Whoop, biddy up, up, up. West Coast Melda, East Coast Melda, North Coast Melda, South Coast Melda. Hold on, Melda, the witch Darth Melda, Spice Melda too. She is every Melda, whatever she wants to be. Melda, forever Melda, always coming through. Bitcoin do what it gonna do, like Melda do. JC Ice Gem, my best friend, my lucky number 7. Jim was sent from heaven, have a question, ask her for advice. She's a wrench wielding blessings. We dance in an emergency. Say hi to your sweet girl, Emory. Hey Jam, hey bro, let's jam. That's sick, yo, you're just that sick. Slick, slick, slick. Digital dankness, digital greatness, showing no weakness. What up, Chandy? Oops, sorry, that's me. But really, let's thank our podcast leader, JV. A tireless Bitcoin influencer. He's so cute. Come on, you know you think so too. Ooh, cute. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Under the moon or in our living room. He's a star, a BTC superstar. Yep. The doing, lollipop bitty, up Candyland.
Cheers to the family, Sienna family love.
Love. Baccarat, natural color, Sucre with us from Iraq. Sebastian Pilla, South Africa, representing stacking sats, no slack. Juke your pedals, my rumble time, fun time, dance partner. We groove and move, I don't ever wanna lose you. My precious Molly, I tell you every day, I love you, but you say I love you more. Nope, no DDO, girl, I love you more. Crypto search the urge, we splurge. Diana sailing, fishing twins, Bitstick, Judson, McFoofinator 4, knocking down the door. What up, Huddle Gang? One Espino set, stacking hero, El Teeter Ete. He told me that I rock. Well, El Teeter taught and Teeter rockin' Ete. So do you rock. Digital Jeffs, you always impress. Impossible to leave out, you are one of our best. Jeff, Bitty Best, BTC, Cowboy Tech, Son, Jacob and Julian Wilton, Crypto Voodoo, Woola Bitty, ooh. Adam Sky, you are the apple of our CNA eyes. I love Adam Sky. Dirty, no need to worry. You are pristine, you're so worthy. Fifth level clean. James, David, Sam, Marcus, Roth, and T.Y. Fox. Bitcoin to the moon, but that's just a pit stop. Michael K, Simon Dale, Eldorina, and Greg Savchuk. That's what's up, the Dusty Hunt. Shoot for the moon with your BTC, but don't shoot Jason Buck. He's not a deer, he is family. I'm sorry I made myself laugh, I'm a dork addicted to the core. Kepler 89, redistribution on the way. 19, Imperia, LE8, let's celebrate. La la, cheers to the video. Bright, BTC looking bright. Bitty, yum, la la, will love my videos. Tough, T to the tough, he has big love for the CNA family. One Glenn Cole, what a man. Fun fact, my dad's name was Glenn Simcoe. Whoa, Glenn Cole. Mr. Bone Daddy 500 says it's going out forever, Sergio. And he is never going to sell his big bitty. Oh, no, hell no, whoa. Laser cat, you're where it's at. Laser eyes on your sat, stacked and packed. Jose Cuervo, you are a friend of mine. Let's meet for some moonshine. Biddy up, rocket to moon time. Bitcoin like moonlight, moonshine. DNA, noon and tuning in from the heat. Dusty pop, never stop. JBZ, he been making it look sexy, easy. Joe DeLeon says what up from Cali. Steve M, Steve Kingston, Steven with a PH, and Judson and Mark Wardlaw says hello from Scotland. Stacked and packed, Van Family, Jerry Vera Reynolds stopping in from Bangkok. Bangkok, let's rock. Knox, Dale, Guido, Alan Hale, Daddy O, RJ Ziggy, let's get jiggy. Andrew Waller, he's a bitty baller. Drain the Swamp 53, Bobby Digital, stress-free VIP. RJ McFly, Ben Catabrigger, Data Biter, next level fighters. Andres Santana, Andres Carcella, Bitcoin Bully, yeah we got that fella. Bitcoin
Trini, chaotic Paisley, Chemo, Savi, Joldy, crazy, Eric Castro, he orange pills his friends, no better advice a guy could learn. Crypto today decentralizes, Drain guy John Doe, no surprises, Johnny Crypto, Diffagil, Don George got stories to tell, Edward with.
Strawberry destiny, under the moon by fire. Strawberry full moon, take me, light it up, fire it up, a fire under a full moon. It's a strawberry yum, fill me up, fill my cup, kind of Bitcoin powered moon. Fill me up and raise it up, pretty please. Strawberry yum, fly to the moon, come, I need you to come with me. Whoa, full moon, baby up, star Aquarius. I'm just so curious, just a little curious. Libra, wanna pump Bitcoin under the full moon with me, with me. Imagine dragons, 2024, year of the dragon. Thunder, before the lightning, I'm thirsty. Are you feeling thunder? Are you feeling hunger? I'm craving being under the thunder. Let's pump the bitty. Oh, doing. Danger V, do you have anything to say? Rap with me, baby.
This is the chance for all my Bitcoin champs to do the moonlight Bitcoin dance. I hit them up like pop, the Bitcoin rants. My balls is hot, sit in my big boy pants. I trust the biddy like Biggie when he trusted Diddy. I trust the biddy like Eminem, how he trusted Fitty. The Citadel isn't just a city, this is Bitcoin Camelot, just as pretty. Cinderella, Chandela, Cinderella, take a date.
The moon comes up when the sun goes down. I wanna go down and get down while the lunar pool gets my up, biddies up. Full moon up, I feel my energy going up. I feel the Bitcoin soaring up. I wanna fill my cup, I don't wanna overflow. I just want security, you know. And my house in Wonderland, a wolf or Peter Pan, you'll never know. On a full, I'm every feeling, all of me that I am. I'm fucking Peter Pan. Alice and I'm in Wonderland, I'm in a Bitcoin land. Full strawberry fire, strawberry tooth fairy, baby loving honeyland under the full moon. I'm gonna manifest the pump with my man JV, come and please me.
Moving the bits, come on let's dance. Shake it down to bring it up. Move with the hips, give me sexy dips. Hitting bong rips as soon as it dips. BTSD to the lunar eclipse. Stacking BTC till I'm losing my grip. Stacking BTC while I'm feeding the nip. Stacking BTC because fiat is shit. Stacking BTC is what you need to get rich. Stacking BTC, you beat a shit as a bitch. Cinderella hit, spin it. Sexy little Bitcoin mama, take it.
It's hard thinking out of the box, eyes draining, going through fiat detox. I'm thirsty, that's true, but I'm worthy, and so are you. Doing. I want a freaking strawberry kind of gut, doing full moon pump, kind of moon that makes belly full. A strawberry full moon, now with an actual baby talking to you, baby. Just satisfactory, satisfy my dreams. The night flying high, strawberry wine, la strawberry fire on the moon with my Bitcoin lust, the strawberry full moon, kind of night JV. It's back to you, take it, baby. JV, can you hit it? Pretty please, excite me.
Sure thing, Cinderella, I got you under the full moon. I'm feeling like Voltron, I'm so on. Transformed to a great ape like Gohan. I'm so bummed, yet I remain so calm. A Bitcoin Super Saiyan, so strong. This is Gohan versus Vegeta. Bitcoin is so long, like chasing the cheetah, chasing the zebra, like Derek Jeter, chasing the sea, racing the feature, the apex predator, the matrix defeater. Bitcoin embracing the reality. The moonlight is lit, it's time to free up mind from the slave line. The time is here, Cinderella, take us out.
Thought you never asked, ooh la, I got you, JV. The full moon is coming, don't let it undo you. Cause you wanted to, I know I wanted to. Baby up, strawberry moon up, respect, freedom. I command it, I demand it, baby up. Trump, ooh, I need you. Jamie doesn't believe in the moon. I thrive on it, got it right on 116th Cherokee. I don't want a Lamborghini, I'm a moon girl. Not a fancy girl, I'm a lunar girl. I'm a big flying high, ready to soar. Jeep girl, we don't have to agree on everything. Loyal to humanity and our destinies. Baby Bitcoin destinies, always manifesting. Strawberry moon, wow, gotta get ready now. So Roger, full moon, Betty up, out. Roger out, up the moon up, yeah. Shit, girl, we don't have to agree on everything. I'm loyal to humanity and our destinies. Baby Bitcoin destiny, always manifesting. Strawberry moon, wow, gotta get ready now. So Roger, full moon, Betty up, out. Roger out.
In a world that's quick to judge and slow to reveal, can I heal? Oh, sweet Bitcoin. Oh, baby, help me heal. I need to heal amidst the smoke and gas of the light. The dependable count on my government gas, all the lights, federal government left and right. Love to gas light. I found my stance, I'm not quitting. Life for Bitcoin, but this shit has been heartbreaking. With every year's lessons I've grown and gained so many scars. But I find myself alone under the moon and the stars. And I look to them in the top of the forest trees. And I reach to them and to God. And then la la, I feel just a little Bitcoin. Healed, God gives hopeful feeling. And a little healed. Lift me, please lift me. You took me to BTC, you gave me sweet dreams. Lift me and lift the bitty. How did I meet the map to security? I mean the Bitcoin map that gives independence to you and me. It truly happened, I mean it was unexplainable. When the full moon came, the one before the eclipse, I followed a cosmic trail and landed on YouTube and BTC. Influencers and CNA and JB, it was magical. The night warned me, so it's simply unexplainable. I'm Chandy, for all you know, I can help India like Gandhi. Goddess style, BTC, bitty, Bitcoin style. Just Google Chandy and dare you to come at me. Haters know who you are, but big fam are my loving superstars. Got each other's back, Bitcoin's back, step back, we are on the attack. But I welcome you to follow the same light of the moon I metaphorically swallowed. I was thirsty, so I swallowed the light. I was hungry, so I ate bitties. Yum yum, hoping them bitties. Oh, and hope to heal. Love to trusted the fiat government and some others you hurt. I prayed to my holy three under a full moon before an eclipse that was upcoming. And I met a new family, CNA family and Bitcoin. And now I have hope in determining my own destiny. I'm not being mean or unloving, I'm simply drowning and starving. Maybe even begging, but certainly demanding a better life for me and my bigger than me 12-year-old little man, my baby. In the depths of understanding, a new destiny. Gaze a spin cycle of tales untold, where wisdom meets wonder. Our narrative is bold. Being screwed, it hurts when the masked men screw me in the rear. It's the worst, I'm not a piece of dirt. You could have done more for me, or just left me the fuck alone. Leave us alone. Hey government, you could have done more for us by leaving us alone. Hey Uncle Sam, we are your nieces and nephews, and you are always being so rude. Oh, with every shared moment, we are family. Invest in this ride, a ticket to the moon. We have to move, we are going to move. We have to react, we are going to attack. Because our government defiled our liberty, and when they worked so hard to create division, they created a new unity. We the people
all colors of skin. It's maybe orange. Maybe we are the new race. Orange pilled. Orange. US Gov just fucked up. Da-da-da. Life is a complex game. We're just playing our part. Apparently, apparently we are really smart. My name is shut me up. I'm a shame of a fuck up. My name is whatever they wanna be. Da-la-na-na. I am Cinderella. I'm a nice girl, tell people about Bitcoin. I'm intelligent, they just can't tell it. So I am whatever you say I am. Not really, I invite you to my moonlight dedication. Bitcoin education, better life manifestation. That's how that is. Biddy up, Roger out. You try to die, are you ready to ride? What up? Pump it up. Ashes of Cinderella, the ghost. Who wants the most? Fiat is toast. Cinderella, spin it, spin it. Feds, system heads, prepare for flight. Soldiers be steady, battle ready. Cinderella, clever white flag. We will never left, right, left. YouTube, what did you go and do? Canceling JV because you can't handle the truth. We want our crypto news, don't make us go. Eminem on you. Censorship much? Piece of shit, they not like us, they not like us. Loyalty, family, tired of these entities that don't want us to be free. Babysitting, power tripping, must be flipping. Knowing that we will throw the stones back. Watch your glass, it might shatter, watch your ass, what's the matter? Cinderella has a slipper that fits. What will you do when you lose and find yourself in a fiat apocalypse? Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Told you so, banks move too damn slow. Ashes of Cinderella, ghost who wants the most. I found a new glass slipper. Enemies don't impose, you can't influence my rise from ruins. My chance to be free, a Bitcoin princess I will be. What's up? I think I just heard an owl. Who? If you're in doubt, it's not about the money. Save the bees, make honey. Memories, destiny. Remember she who once more can be. Up like Superman, changing the world. Call me squirrel for the winner. Banks, be careful, my fuel splitter. Not fast on the cash in. Deep got passion. Chandy, silver, India, fixer. Self-custody, new currency. It's reality, our space, out of space, destiny. People of Earth, alert. We get the price we deserve. Thank you, influencers, for spreading the truth. For no noob, I don't pay to be screwed. For premium on YouTube, I want uncensored crypto news. Education, imagination, have patience. People of the world, it's time to buy. Don't let this opportunity go. Sing it for the moment, like rappers in my digital forfeits. Better get your lattice persistent, boom, yeah, right now.
Our cryptochemistry is undeniably putting me in heat. Someone turn up the AC. We're high dimension, honey making G's, 5th level G's.
Hell at the moon, don't be a dog. Step in and be a wolf. Like Bitcoin will have no roof. Cause we're taking a magic carpet ride like Steppenwolf. You have Bitcoin, I have Bitcoin. Yum, yummy. Doing the doing, 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 doing the doing, doing, doing. We're high dimension. I have naughty intentions. I love our bitty connection. It's a magnetic attraction. It's a cosmic connection. It's next level chemistry perfection. We're level 5, bona fide. Honey making G's. Yep, we save bees and make honey love honey. We should date, maybe even mate. We have BTC with 1 million. Easy destinies, it easy to see. I'm manifesting lunar intimacy and outer space sheets for you and me. Your heart golden rocket, alright. But first we need a rocket that flies. So we'll stop by Pee-wee's Playhouse and say the magic words to Zombie. Like Bitcoin, he grants $1 million wishes. Because he's a genie, he'll slip us a BTC powered flying Lamborghini. Let's rap the Zombie jam. Make a like a high, make a Bitcoin grow. Make a like a high, let crypto flow. Moolah, mecca, moolah. F, yeah, moolah. Bitcoin K, la da la la. Cinderella, where are we? It's back to you, sexy man. I have a brilliant plan. Great minds think alike. Chemistry we have got. I'm going to rock your world and get you high, high, high. La la la, but please listen. I need you to give me goose pimples from my thighs to my knees. I'm craving the thunder from down under. The thunder. Give me an oxytocin high. I think you know what I'm trying to imply. Don't be shy, I don't bite unless you really want me to. Yummy yum. Bitcoin sexy, you know you want. Serendip it in me. Cold likes a girl with a dirty side, so long as her heart is right. Crypto men and Bitcoin princes, they wanna go with it all. Brains, beauty, a caring heart, a dirty side, and Bitcoin. She has to have Bitcoin, yeah. Bitcoin matching hotties, sat stacking meant to bees. You can't resist my magic carpet ride. I'm your new crypto knight, don't even try to deny. Crypto lovers make good lovers. They get freaky under the covers. Easy, ride it slow. Whoa, oh. Please me, hit me fast. Oh, oh, oh. Then take it slow. Whoa, oh. I might get down on my knees. I might beg you to please me with the tease. I want ultimate pleasure. I'm moist and turned on by your Bitcoin treasure. Charm, sex appeal, and guarantee of pleasure. Please pleasure me. I'm primed and ready for an outer limit good time. Yummy yum. Yummy yum.
I can pull the bitty girls everywhere. What does it require? You just need a Bukele hat. Keep hope alive.
President Bukele, props to you. You got game 100K. Crypto new every day. CNA, yeah.
We don't play, it's the Bitcoin slang, it's the Bitcoin way. 2024 dragons, we don't slay dragons, we are dragons that slay. Bitcoin 100K, another 100K, another 100K, that's 300K. Underway, underlay, motherfucking on the way. But did you buy the dip today or did you let it slip away? Like Cinderella slipper, a 100K Bitcoin grenade. Boom a bitty boom, where El Salvador is going is the place we wanna be. Biddy up the doing, let's get on down to the Bitcoin town while we get our biddy up, Bukele, a perfect leader, the philosopher king, a perfect leader. It's a 5th level G thing. He's a slave to aesthetics. It's poetic, no politics, it's in the analytics. Genius tactics, moral ethics, and best practices. Salvadorian up, biddy up, love. The next level, Bukele kind of strategy play. What did Bukele say? JV love, time to preach.
Biddy up the doing, biddy up the doing, biddy up the doing.
Fuck the IMF, we gonna be okay. Fuck the IMF, we don't need them, A. Fuck the IMF, this is a freedom play. Fuck the IMF, this is a freedom play. Fuck the IMF, this is the freedom age. Fuck the IMF, we are free, not your slave. Fuck the IMF, we don't need a cage. No way, in El Salvador freedom reigns. BTC, tax free from gains. 100K Bitcoin, babe. 100K 6 figs all day. 100K Bitcoin in play. 100K Bitcoin today. 100K Bitcoin. Bitcoin to stay. 100K Bitcoin Super Saiyan. Bitcoin Super Saiyan.
Stacking BTC like I'm in the ball league. Stacking BTC like it's Dragon Ball Z. Stacking BTC like Gohan versus Satoshi. Stacking BTC fast as Master Roshi. Stacking BTC like Max on RT. Set the Keiser report free. Set the Keiser report free.
Spin it river here. I'm ready to spin it. It's the global insurrection. It gets banker occupation. Hang the bankers. We're running out of patience. Start with Jamie Dimon. I'm sick of all his statements. Put that shit up on Netflix. Respect this. Get rocks on the checklist. Off with his head, then rock that bitch on my necklace. Stacking bits for my breakfast. Stacking bits like I'm reckless. Stacking bits like it's Tetris. Stacking bits to perfection. Stacking bits my confession. I'm stacking bits with aggression. Stacking bits my obsession. Stacking bits in a session. Stacking bits is a weapon. Stacking bits in recession. I'm stacking bits and I'm flexing. JD, take it.
Okay, I got you, babe. Protect the house, huddle house. This is our bitty moon high house. Building a house and raising the roof. This is no house of cards, huddle house. Can't be blown down by a wolf.
What up? Bitcoin going up, up, up. Boo Kelly swagger. Max Keiser swagger. El Salvador Bitcoin. All hodlers out there. Swagger jam, let's go.
A honey badger doesn't care. Dare you to dare a honey badger because they don't care. So, beware.
Volatility, shock resistance. It won't discourage us or influence us. We're resilient, we're persistent. We protect Bitcoin like linebackers. We are fifth level mover, we will take you out. Our movement is stout. I got your 6, you got my back. IGY6. Our BTC team is epic and won't back down. Fifth level G homies don't back down.
We are the Bitcoin team. Line backing, Satoshi stacking, currency changing machines. We are a team. Know what I mean?
El Salvador, please set me free. IMF, please let me be. Proof of work, BTC. Empty your mind, no TV. Never believe everything that you read. The devil will succeed upon your level of greed. FUD is designed to shake the tree. It's make-believe. Bitcoin is designed to make you G's, make you M's, make you G's, make you win and set you free. All glory to God, true story, no CAP. Biddy up, Roger out.
Biddy up, Roger out.
Lordy, lordy, another Bitcoin story. Fiddle-dee, bitty, BTG, my family, listen up. Fun up, moon up, bitty, hilly, billy up. Whoop, whoop, pilly, billy, Bitcoin up. Come and listen to my story about a man named Jed. A poor mountaineer, barely kept his family fed. And then one day, he was working overtime for his food. And up through the web came a biddy that was destined for the moon.
Crypto it is, digital gold, Bitcoin.
Hillbilly,
get rich now.
Y'all hearing me? Sure enough. Well, the first thing you know, old Jed's a millionaire. Kinfolk said, Jed, buy fiat and get out of the crypto sphere. They said fiat is the place you ought to be, so Jed didn't listen to the hype and loaded up with more Satoshis. Fiddle-dee-dee, well, I'll be. And then he moved his family to El Salvador in a hurry. Bitcoin land, that is swimming pools. Steady fifth level, hilly billy go. Well, now it's time to say goodbye to Jed and all his kin. They would like to thank you folks for kindly dropping in. You're all invited back again to this locality to have a heaping helping of stories like they shared with JB.
Jed, Granny, Ellie, May, and Jethro, your choice to get rich is dope. Dope, gave yourselves hope, hope, that's so hilly billy dope. Whoop-de-doo. Crypto news that is hillbilly style, take your shoes off. Y'all come back now, you hear? Right, golly?
Whoop-de-doo. Fiddle-dee-dee, Bitcoin me. Me.
Bitcoin, 60 G's, 60 G's.
Buying opportunity for fifth level sexy G's. What do you think, JV? By the biddy, who cares about a roaring kitty? Boring kitty, not me. I'm for the bitty. I'm for the nippinator. I'm for Nipsey, not for the weirdo Kit Kat kitty cat. The kitty cat. I'm for stacking the stats. Stack the sats. Ain't no thing, baby. It's a chance to stack those sats. Chance to stack the bitties. Baby, you never heard about me with another coin. Bitcoin. Got my mind on my Bitcoin, and my Bitcoin on my mind. 60 G's, 60 G's. I'm buying opportunity. Bitcoin. But I don't sweat it, because it's just pathetic to let it get me involved in that set.
not sell on the dip crowd. Dip sell, dope sell, no sell, no Bitcoin sell. I'm no sellout. Bitcoin.
Roger out, Roger out.
Daddy, daddy, run time. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy bought you a Bitcoin future. It's appreciate all the great father's time. Yep, it's that day, it's Father's Day. Whoop, whoop, daddy love, shout out, let's go. To the dads out there with precious little princesses. Cinderella's slipper fits just right, and you're the real hero, superhero. You're the star in her loving, bright, beautiful eyes. Whoop, whoop, daddy love, yep, yep, need a meaningful love. Happy Father's Day, I just have to sing till all the daddy man. To the Bitcoin king of our crypto news crew. Happy Father's Day to you, JV. Shout out to the other superstar fathers in our family. Props to all the rockstar dads in our CNA Bitcoin fam. Bitcoin family daddies, you are Bitcoin dads, super dads. There's no one like you. Shout out to dads with cutie little men, cutie guys, mighty little princess. Whoop, whoop, daddy love, you're the star and is looking up to you, innocent eyes. Whoop, whoop, daddy love, Bitcoin dads, you're the crypto knights, leading the way, teaching them about love and what is right. With every step you are their map, you light their way, guiding them with love and a path. Whoop, whoop, daddy love, shout out to the dads who made their children little Bitcoin princes and princesses. Good parenting, way to go. Dad time, hero time. A good dad is everything to them. Thank you for being one of them. You are the glue, nothing stopping you from protecting them. La la daddy man, daddy love, good stuff. Ooh, Happy Father's Day to the dads doing the work. Real men raising their kids. Manly men loving their kids. Doing whatever they have to do. And always sacrificing, gentle and loving. You guys, it's Happy Father's Day to you. Manly, loving, sexy you. Whoop, whoop, daddy love. So here's to you on this special day. Bitcoin daddies, fifth level G daddies, doing what you have to do for your sweet little babies. You are their leader, their favorite man. Whoop, whoop, daddy love. They are your inspiration and your biggest fan. Fathers, raw rockin' fathers, real men, good men, real dads, good dads. To all of you I say, happy Father's Day. Whoop, daddy love. Whoop, whoop, daddy love. Happy Father's Day. Whoop, whoop, daddy love.
Bitcoin is no maybe, baby. Bitcoin is no maybe, baby. 70 G's to the moon, lunar landing. See you there soon. They ain't like us, we got thrust. 70 G's, 2024. Let the Bitcoin rain pour. Up.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Listen up, you need to know what's up. They not like us. They want censorship, they want pestilence, they want deficits. And they not like us. They print Jefferson. They print the Benjamins. They like little kids. Warning those after our youth sick hoes need to know they lose more than a tooth though. Stay out of our kids' heads and stay away from their beds. Satanic, demonic, no panic, we're on it. Whoa, bang, bang, can you say hey? They damn sure not like us. We not like them. Satan is not our friend. A new understanding is about to begin now. Back to really you to determination, and that parent indefinite termination. What? Serious you are not. Backfires burn, forgiveness is still in reach. Listen and learn, the people are here to teach. Guess who's back? Ouch, looks like JV. He's under attack, we're there for peace. But make no mistake, he'll bend you over his Mac Daddy knees. So please, please, give up and breathe. Oh damn, let's get back to it. JV is about to spit it. JV, he gave me this message to send you. Don't kill the messenger, I'm just warning you. Yes, you know who is who. You two might want to get some lube. What did you go and make us do? JV said, yeah, you too. You fucking try to cancel my plan, but you underestimated the motherfucking man that I am. My shadow banning my plan, so I took a stand and demand an apology for every fan that you stabbed in the back, shutting down my channel. Now I'm demanding it back. Faster than the passing of another tax, faster than panic attacks, faster than fast. They not like us, cause they play foul. They need some sage now. They not like us, I remain loud. They not like us, I remain proud. What more can I say? Just wow, justice, Libra scales. We want it for breakfast. Not gonna take this, not taking your Judas nails. Just wow. JV shared this with his fam. He's literally the man with a plan. He said first I get the biddies and I run the cities. The biddies are king, that's no Diddy. You cowards are wrong and my freedom's not gone. I say censorship is evil, so I see that we've won our fuck yeah, I love you crypto fam. I'm danger. Sexy Mac Daddy, yum, that's a man with a plan. You two volunteered for a frying pan, might get wrinkled. Ooh, yeah, like a dollar bill, you might be crinkled. JV is sperm that isn't COVID vaccinated. How can you not be charmed by this? Go JV, let's cheer for honesty, integrity, and never forget we have destinies and messages to bring. Head of the moon right now, no rush, just trust. The currency that we trust, Bitcoin is the currency we trust. Block BTC like a pimp, you two get some Viagra. You're about to go limp. Apologize, recognize, and humanize it. Be the demise of you and your own too. I want you to get some loot now like the fiat thanks page. You owe me and I owe you.
What a dice, are you ready to ride?
What up?
Bring it up, new world currency. It's destiny, raised on ingenuity.
We're crypto family, feds, system heads, out of touch, silver spoons, give some up. We are done. Oh, damn, ashes of Cinderella. 1 2 1 2 1 mil, goes who wants the most. Spinderella, spin it, prepare for flight, so just be steady, get ready. Crypto. Told you so like Superman, changing the world, call me squirrel for the winter. Banks, be careful, might feel a splinter. JD, still
to walk in. They love me dinosaurs, you're a fail. Eat my dog would never ever follow the centralized trail. Love and trust the Libra scale. Astronomy guided me like
October is rising.
What's good, fam? I am back. Let's see where we topped off at. Right now we're 72.7. Give me a second. Welcome everybody to the pod. Let's check it out. See where we left off. It looks like on the 1 hour chart, let's see the new high. We tapped out at 73,624. Oh my God. So like less than 200 away from price discovery. I think it was 73.7 something. So we're on the cusp. Oh my God. Virtually $100 away. Wow. Let's zoom in. It looks like we had a corrective candle right at the all-time high virtually. Let's check out the 1 minute. Yep. We tapped, was that 73? Let's see here. 73,624. That's the high. And then we collapsed to 72.6 where we're at, consolidating and about to retest. Right on. Wow. Pretty amazing, yo. So freaking close. No sound. Oh, let me know if you hear sound. It was just you. You should be able to hear me. Let me know. Some they do, some they don't. Some is just as well. Let me end the poll in the tube. Let me do that. I see we got 1,682 people here. Pretty nice. I dig it. Remember, fam, there's a poll on YouTube right now when Bitcoin new all-time high. Let me know if you think it'll be before end of October. I mean, we just pretty much hit it, maybe $100 or 200 shy, but we just collectively hit that mofo. So here you go. Oh, you can hear me? Good. It's not you, JB. It's me. Good. Okay. Good. Bitcoin is live, having a Swiss bank in the pocket. Amen. I get my peaches out in Georgia. Ooh, that's it. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. Shout out JB. No Didio. Nice fresh peach. Anyways, loud, clear, and smooth on my end, JB. Thank you. Check the X feed. We're still live on X, Rumble, and YouTube. We've been going for the past 4 hours. We'll kick it for a little longer. Let's see where we end up. And I think what we're going to do is resume the pump watch this evening. Let's see if we can clear 74. Man, we almost hit the target. Gotta love it. So freaking close. We have been at this range twice in the same year. Does anyone else realize how epic that is? Super cycle in play, JC? Pretty amazing. Shout out to everyone in the live stream right now. We appreciate the support. The 1,700 people here. Let's go. Lit times amongst us. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, let's switch up the scenery so I could end the poll in the tube. I'm going to end the poll right now, see how we did. Again, the question was, when will we hit a new all-time high? The results, I'm going to read them out loud here in a sec. The results are in. Here we go. Should be showing any second, hopefully. Here we go. So when Bitcoin new all-time high, end of October, before the end of October, the majority, I think you guys are right. I mean, we just got within $200. 62% of you first week of November, 19% before the end of November, 9% in December. You damn bears, 8%. That was out of 550 votes. You got to love it. Till my lungs collapse. Yeah, that's a classic. That's actually one of my fave jammy jams right there. You have a new audio as well? What are you talking about? What track are we referring to? But yeah, yo, this is pretty wild to say the least. Bitcoin doing its thing. But here's what I'm going to do. Looks like we're just shy of the all-time high. We hit 73,623. Within $200 from price discovery. So what I'm going to do, because I've been streaming for 4 hours, I'm going to end the stream. But my plot and plan is to, go ahead and upload today's pod at all the, we syndicate it on iTunes, Spotify, all the major podcasting platforms. Then this evening at 10 p.m., we'll do the what we call the premiere, which is the edited down version. We do about an hour of content every day, like news. We're going to condense that to 30 minutes. We're going to upload that at 10 p.m. and premiere it on YouTube. And then after the premiere, at around 11 o'clock, we're going to continue the pump watch. As long as we can maintain above 72, which there's a strong probability we do, we'll continue the pump watch this evening at 11 p.m. 11 is the divine omen. But I appreciate everyone's support. Thank you for being here today. Hopefully you got a lot of value and excitement and entertainment out of today's stream. And I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon.
We're Bitcoin kids. We're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sack stacking kids. Bitcoin kids. We're Bitcoin kids. Cutie little kitty bitty sack stacking kids. But we appreciate our BTC education. We want to learn.